Hi everyone, welcome to Go Classes. So we are very excited to start this new session of GATE Computer Science, and today is our orientation session. So this is GATE Computer Science 2025 complete course orientation session. Okay. So my name is Deepak Punia and Sachin Mittal sir is also here. Sachin.
Yeah. Hi everyone. How are you doing? So I hope all of you are excited just like us. So we are having today our orientation session for enrolled student. So since all of you have enrolled, now we will tell you that how to use codes, and there are many things we will tell in this particular session.
So basically how to follow this course,
Yes.
how to make best use of this course, everything we will tell you in this orientation session. And at the end of the orientation session, if you have any doubts, you can ask all your doubts. Okay. So welcome to Go Classes, and we are really very excited to start our 2025 journey. Okay, we want to see you as toppers next year in GATE 2025 or 2026. Some students, they are in first year or second year, and they have enrolled for 2026 course. So for those, I am saying that we want to see you a topper when you give the GATE exam next time. So basically, so let us know, are you excited as well? Let's start this session. So before we start this session, I want to say few things. Okay, few words. So basically, if you have enrolled in Go Classes GATE Computer Science complete course, then in your mind you have that you will understand concepts in a crystal clear way, because that is what Go Classes is no I can say known for. Okay, Go Classes. If you ask anyone, if you ask any previous topper, any student, they will tell you that this is what Go Classes is known for, that is quality learning. Okay, so now for next 1 year we are going to have this quality learning experience in Go Classes, in every subject, in every topic. Okay, every concept, each and every concept you will study with crystal clear understanding, with complete understanding. Okay, and with correct understanding. So basically there will be no misconception. You will have correct understanding of every concept. You will have complete understanding of every concept. If in the GATE exam they create some new variation, then also you can handle, and you will have crystal clear understanding of every concept. You will not have any gaps. You will not have any ambiguity. Okay, any, I can say, any vague understanding, you will not have that. You will have crystal clear understanding, correct understanding, and complete understanding of all the concepts. Okay, and that is what we want to provide. That is what we are providing for for the last few years. Okay, and that is what Go Classes has become popular for. Okay, so, Sachin, do you want to say a few words before we start?
Yes, so definitely. You might have seen our toppers previously, and you will be going to see our this year topper. So you will be one of the topper if you follow this course. This is I'm telling you from bottom of my heart. If you follow this course rigorously, if you follow this course completely, and that is the reason we call it complete course. So we will tell you how to follow, but just one thing you need to make sure that you should follow the course. Okay, and those who are going to repeat, just don't underestimate gate that okay, you can crack by just not following, not studying like that. Okay, so it's never gonna happen. So you need to study. So I'm telling to the people, those who are going to repeat, because I have seen this, that generally repeaters, they think that okay, this time I just need to do some practice, and this time I don't need to follow the theory and so on. So even if you're a repeater, we will suggest you to follow all the lectures thoroughly. Okay, don't underestimate that okay, you know this topic completely. I mean, you might be knowing, but just check, at least just check the annotated notes. Maybe there is something new that is for you. Okay.
So, let's start this session now. And as Sachin said, you just have to follow this course. See, you all are enrolled in this course. So basically, we are not influencing you to purchase the course. We are really telling you that what you need to do to top the GATE exam. Okay. So basically, you just need to follow this course. Okay. You are our students. You have enrolled in this course. You have trusted us. So this is our responsibility to guide you in a correct way, on the correct path. Okay. So I just want to tell you that for 1 year, just follow this course, complete course you follow. Okay, have trust on us. And if you stay consistent, then definitely you will become topper next year. Okay, you will be doing the best preparation of the GATE exam. Okay, so now let's start this session. So Let's start with the first topic, that is who will be teaching you. You already know, but let me just introduce you to the faculty who will be teaching you all the subjects. So Sachin Mittal sir is already here, as you can see. Okay. So Sachin Mittal sir, they are co-founder and instructor at Go Classes. Sachin sir has
Yeah.
completed their MTech from IISc Bangalore, also achieved All India rank 33 in GATE Computer Science. And Sachin has worked as Amazon applied scientist for more than 1 year. Sachin, you want to say
Yeah.
something?
Yeah, thank you, Deepak, for the introduction. So this is my brief introduction, and mainly I have been into GATE computer science since few years, and during my masters also I was very interested in GATE. So it has been many years since I'm associated with GATE, and there are a few subjects which I will be teaching, and few subjects Deepak will be teaching. So specifically, like half of the subjects I will be teaching, and half of the subjects Deepak will be teaching. Yeah.
So you can see the qualification of the faculties. Okay. So I and Sachin, we both are from IISc Bangalore. We are IISc Bangalore alumni. So this is my introduction. So my name is Deepak Punia, and I am co-founder and instructor at Go Classes. I have also completed my MTech from IISc Bangalore. I have always wanted to become teacher. That was my, I can say, only goal. Sachin also knows this from the
Yes.
days of our MTech. Okay, Sachin was my senior in ISC Bangalore, so we had discussion about about teaching. So for the GATE Computer Science exam, and these are some of my top ranks. I have cracked GATE exam in computer science multiple times, and All India rank 53, All India rank 67, 107, 206, 256, etc. So basically, I can say that I have enough experience of GATE computer science exam to guide you in a correct way, to guide you on the correct path. You can see many times, basically, I have cracked this GATE exam with top ranks. So with all my experience, I am going to guide you throughout the year. Okay. So throughout the year, we are going to be with you. We will have active participation with you. This is the word we use. Okay, that we are very proud that we can say that, okay, we have active participation with our students. We talk to the students. Okay, we have sometimes even over the phone call also we talk to the students. Okay, so on the Telegram group, okay, individually on the Telegram messages. So we have active participation with the students. Okay, and in the next 1 year, throughout the next 1 year, we are going to share our experience. We are going to use all our experience to teach you. Okay, and to make you a topper. Okay, next year in the GATE exam. So let's see about the course. Okay, so what is this course? Let me give you the brief introduction of this course. You already know all these things because in the GATE Computer Science 2025 course launch video, all these things we have already told you. Okay, some extra things we will tell you. Don't worry. How to follow this course, that we will tell you. But before that, let me just quickly tell you about this course. So as you already know, that this course is basically recorded content plus live sessions for doubts and practice. Our content is recorded. All the subjects, all the lectures, they are recorded, and we will take live sessions for doubts and practice. So let me tell you one by one. So let me tell you about recorded content. All our subjects, you can see all our subjects, all the lectures, they are available, recorded and ready. Okay, so you can easily see if you go to your GATE Computer Science 2025 package, right? You will see all the subjects, right? Yes or no? You can see all the subjects. So all the subjects, all the lectures, they are available, recorded, ready. Okay, so we have recorded content. The entire content is in the recorded format. Okay, we will take live sessions. We are going to take 4 live sessions every week for doubts, practice, and GATE PYQs. Okay, so in these live sessions, we will take your doubts, we will do a lot of practice, and we are going to solve GATE previous year questions. Let me also tell you, if you miss the live session, if you don't join the live session, then don't worry. The recording of the live session will be available to you. Okay. So every session, remember, every session is recorded. For example, this orientation session right now, this is a non-technical session, but we are recording this also. So the recording of orientation session also will be available to you. Every session, technical, non-technical, every session will be recorded, and the recording will be provided to you. Okay, Sachin.
Yes. Yeah, you can continue. Like, I mean, I will add if there is something.
Sure. So basically, this is all about the course, as you can see. So our course. our GATE CSE 2025 course. This is a recorded content plus live sessions. Okay, just give me a second.
So meanwhile, let me answer one question. So Ashish is asking, are live session compulsory to watch? So Ashish, I mean compulsory in the sense these sessions are basically there to maintain your consistency. If you want to be consistent, right, then just attend the session, because by that you will be having a target in your mind that okay, you want to complete the session, you want to complete the lecture so that you can attend the live session. So mainly the purpose of the live session is to maintain the consistency, and also to solve many of your doubts, to solve many of the practice questions, to solve the gate PYQs. So suppose you are very confident in some topic, then for example, like you are very confident in some topic of let's suppose algorithm, then for that particular topic you can skip the live class. The only reason is that you are confident in that topic. I mean, you don't need much practice, you don't need to solve much PYQs, then you can skip the class. Otherwise, we recommend you to be consistent. We recommend you to follow the live sessions.
So the live sessions are for your own consistency. Of course, you can either join the live session or you can watch the recording of the live session depending on your strategy. Okay. So depending on what is best for you, you can do that. So some students, what they do, they join the live sessions, okay, consistently. One of our student, I remember, he is getting this year top 300 rank he is getting, and he was consistent in all the live sessions. So basically, the name, Sachin, do you remember the name Satyam?
Yeah, Satyam Naik.
Yes, Satyam Naik. So
Yes.
basically, Satyam Naik, the one of our last year student, and he was consistently joining the live sessions every like every live session he has joined. And this year, I can say in the first attempt, he is getting top 300 rank. Okay, so but of course there are many other toppers also who prefer the recording. Okay, the recorded lectures. So that is your choice. It is not a compulsory thing, but it is just there for your consistency. You can decide whether you want to join the live session or whether you want to watch the recording. Okay, so remember one thing, that see, in some live sessions we are going to solve gate previous year questions, right? Okay, now these live sessions in which we are solving gate previous year question, what you can do, these live sessions you can watch. You can, if you are watching in a recorded format, if you are watching the recording of this session, then what you can do, you can pause the video, you can try to solve the question, and then you can watch the, then you can continue watching the solution, right? So basically, in some live sessions we are going to solve gate previous year questions with complete analysis. In some in some live sessions we will only take your doubts. Okay, we will just keep taking your doubts. Okay, in some live sessions we are going to do a lot of practice from the standard resources, from the standard books. Okay, so basically there will be live sessions to keep you consistent. Okay, to keep basically environment of learning. Okay, we want to make a very good environment of learning. Okay, so that is the reason there will be 4 live sessions every week. Okay, the next thing is how to follow this course. Okay, this is in your mind, how to follow this course. So let me tell you, there are 2 ways to follow this course. One is follow the schedule that we will provide you and stay in sync with us. We will provide you a schedule of the lectures of the subjects, and what you do, you follow the schedule consistently and you stay in sync with us. Another way to follow this course is you can follow this course as per your strategy. If you want to follow this course as per your strategy, as per your own strategy, or I can say, if you want to follow this course in a self-paced manner, that also you can do. Okay, so let me elaborate one by one. So you can see how to follow this course. Way one. Okay, the way one is basically you follow the schedule that we will provide you and you stay in sync with us. We are going to share the subject schedule, the lecture schedule. You follow this schedule consistently, stay in sync with us. Okay, and remember, according to this schedule we will provide you weekly quizzes, homework, all these things we will provide you, right? Okay, so what you need to do, let me tell you, you just need to follow the schedule. Okay, consistently you just follow the schedule. Okay, and definitely you will be doing the best gate preparation. Okay, so let me tell you here, these are the things that we expect you to do. Okay, we are expecting, if you want to top the gate exam, then we are expecting that these things you will do. You will watch lectures of the day, right? We will provide you a schedule. On that day, which lecture you have to watch. Okay, you watch those lectures. So basically watch lectures, solve homeworks, and see the text or video solution. For every homework there is either video solution or text solution. Okay, attempt the weekly quizzes. Every week there will be one or two quizzes. Attempt the weekly quizzes, analyze those quizzes and improve. Okay, also discuss your doubts in the private Telegram group or in the live session. All your doubts you can discuss in the private Telegram group, or you can discuss in the live sessions. So these are the things. Overall, I can say this is the overall summary what you need to do entire year. Okay, if you do all these things consistently for, I can say, for the till the gate exam. Okay, till the gate exam, if you do these things consistently, then I'm sure you will be doing the best preparation of the gate exam and you will be a topper next year. Okay, so this is what you need to do. This is our expectation from you, Sachin.
Yes. So definitely I will just add one thing here, that see, some of you, I will again repeat that some of you might think that okay, we can skip some lectures, but let me just tell you that before skipping the lecture, you see the annotated notes. So we will provide you the annotated notes, and if you want to skip some lecture because you have already studied that particular lecture, then what you need to do, then just to see the annotated notes that you already know all the content, then only skip. Otherwise we strongly suggest you to watch all the lectures, right? And then we will be having the weekly quiz, and make this weekly quiz just like a milestone, that you want to, like, I mean, it's not a competition for the initial few months. Okay, because initially, like, you might be studying things on the slow pace, someone might be studying on the faster pace, or maybe someone has already studied some topics. So initially it's not a competition, but still have your own, I mean, be your own competitor, in the sense that just have a benchmark, that okay, I want to get, let's suppose, 60% of the marks in the weekly quiz. Have some percentage in your mind, like for example, initially you can target for 50% or maybe 40% to 50%, and then gradually try to increase, and once you achieve 60%, then it is a very good sign. The reason is that, let me just tell you the reason. Because the weekly quiz, okay, the word weekly quiz here, for Go classes, it is very very important. See, weekly quizzes we make in such a way that it covers all the concept of the particular topic. So if you're scoring, let's suppose, 60% in the weekly quiz, then literally you are going to, I mean, I'm almost sure that you are going to get, more than 70% in gate, for sure. Because weekly quiz are, to be honest, very tough. Okay, I mean, compared to the test series and even compared to the gate, it is like we make it very tricky. Not tough. It means we make it tricky using many standard resources. So just try to have like a benchmark or the milestone as a weekly quiz, that okay, you want to attempt, you want to get, let's suppose, initially 40%, then gradually try to get 60% in the weekly quizzes. Okay.
See, actually, we have confidence on our students. Okay, we know that if you are learning from Go classes lectures, then you can handle these questions. Okay, these type of tricky questions, these type of conceptual questions you can handle. That is our confidence on you. Okay, so that is the reason you will see that weekly quizzes we make very conceptual. Okay, very conceptual. So don't worry if you are getting less marks in the weekly quizzes. Do not worry about it. As I told you, you can see, read this statement. Attempt weekly quizzes, analyze and improve. Okay, please focus on this word, improve. This word is very very important. Okay, so basically your purpose is basically to attempt the weekly quizzes, analyze all the questions, analyze your mistakes and improve. Okay, after every weekly quiz you just improve. Okay, so that is the purpose of weekly quizzes. Now some students are asking, sir, don't we have to solve the previous year gate questions? Of course you have to solve the previous year gate questions. Actually, we will be solving the previous year gate questions either in the lectures, okay, or in the live sessions. As I told you, in the live sessions we are going to do the complete analysis of gate previous year questions. So for all gate previous year questions, we are going to provide you complete analysis of each question. Okay, complete analysis. What I mean by complete analysis, let me tell you. When I say complete analysis, it means in that question we will tell you everything. Okay, if there are four options, we will tell you which option is correct, which option is wrong, why this option is correct, why this option is wrong, basically, and some more variations, which variations are possible. Okay, so basically everything in that question we will tell you. So when we solve one question, one gate previous year question, when we solve it, automatically means we are solving almost three or four questions, three or four variations of that questions. So we are going to provide you complete analysis of all the GATE previous year questions in our live sessions or in our lectures. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so let me continue. All these points will come as we move on in the slides. Okay, all these points will come. Let me tell you what is another way to use this course. What is another way to follow this course? That is self-paced course. See, if you want to use your own strategy, some students they have some their own strategy in their mind. Okay, some students are thinking, I will start with this subject, I will start with that subject. Okay, I will follow this sequence. Okay, so some students they have their own strategy, right? Because maybe they are repeater, maybe they are again preparing for the GATE exam, so they can have their own strategy. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Okay, it is fine. So if you have some strategy in your mind, okay, some your own strategy if you have in your mind, and you want to use this course in a self-paced way, then you can do that, because all the subjects, all the lectures are already available, recorded, ready. So if you want, remember, if you want to use this course according to your own strategy, then you can do that. Okay, so there is no problem here. For example, let me tell you. So actually, this message I got just I can say yesterday. I got this message from a student. You can read this message. Okay, hello Deepak sir. So you can see this is a student who is working in Wipro, and you can see, okay, that this student is saying that I am aiming for IIT next year. I will be preparing alongside my job, and will be fully dedicated and consistent with my GATE preparation. First of all, I just want to tell you, this is the mindset. This is the mindset you need, right, Sachin?
Yes, definitely. Yes. So this is literally a very, very nice thing that particular person is following, that that he will be fully dedicated, because those, especially those who are preparing with job, those they think that okay, it's okay. I mean, they take it as a time pass. So so don't do it, right? It's like have a fully determined mindset that you will be definitely, cracking the gate this year. And don't take a mindset that okay, you will be targeting gate this year just for the purpose of purpose of attempting, and next year, which means in gate 2026 you will be achieving good rank. No, don't do it. Okay, for this year only have a target that okay, by the end of this year you should be completing all the syllabus, you should be completing all the PPQs like that, and you should be following all the content of the course.
So you can see here, okay, this is the mindset that you need to have, whether
Right.
you are preparing for the first time, or whether you are repeater, or whether you are preparing alongside job, or you are preparing in your third year or fourth year. Basically, doesn't matter. Okay, if you are a GATE 2025 aspirant, then you should have this mindset. You can see, read this line. Okay, I will be preparing alongside my job, but will be fully dedicated and consistent with my GATE preparation. This is the mindset that you need to have. Okay, if you want to top the GATE exam. And this is the next query. You can see, I have one query. You can see the about the monthly schedule. I can see that C and DSA will be done in June and October. Okay, I want to complete them as soon as possible. Can I continue? And okay, so basically this student wants to follow his own strategy, right? Okay, this student wants to study some subjects according to his own sequence. So you can see, this is the reply, that you can do that. Okay, you can do that, because all the subjects you will be getting immediately. You will be getting access to all the courses, all the subjects, when you enroll immediately. So you can follow your own. You can study in any order you want. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you. If you have some strategy in your mind, okay, if you want to use our course, use this GATE CSE 2025 course, if you want to use it in a self-paced way, you can do that. Okay, but if you don't have any such I can say, if you are not a repeater, if you are preparing for the GATE exam first time, or even if you are a repeater, okay, you can be a repeater also, then also we recommend that you follow the schedule. Okay, this is, I can say, recommended for every student, whether you are first timer, okay, whether you are, I can say, repeater, or basically you can be any aspirant. Okay, then this is the recommended way. Okay, if you don't have some, I can say, some specific strategy in your mind, if you don't have that, then this is the best way possible. This is the most recommended way from our side, that you follow the schedule and you stay in sync with us, basically walk with us. Okay, we are going to be with you throughout the year. Okay, just walk with us, stay consistent, follow the schedule consistent. Okay, so this is how you can follow our course. Okay, you can follow the schedule, stay consistent. Okay, this is recommended by default. stay in sync with us, or you can use this course in a self-paced way according to your own strategy. Okay, Sachin.
Yes, definitely. And if you are following, let's suppose in your own way, then also you can ask your doubts in the Telegram group. Okay, so there will be many people who might be following the same subject. They will be replying, or you can tag us. So if you are having any doubt in any subject, then you can ask your doubt. Basically, last year what happened, that I mean, we will be continuing the same thing this year also. So we were having two groups. One group is for that, for the doubts who are in the sync with us, which means currently, let's suppose if we are teaching some subject, let's suppose C programming, and if you're also having the doubt in C programming, then ask in that group. And there was another group which was Go Classes alumni group. There we were entertaining the doubts which were from out of the sync subjects. So even if you have doubts which are not in the sync, you can ask in another group.
Okay. So basically, if you are following your own strategy, let's assume you are using this course in a self-paced way. Let's assume, okay, and you study theory of computation. Okay, then you can ask your theory of computation doubts to me. Okay, you can tag me. There is a alumni group. In that alumni group, you can post your doubt and you can tag me. Similarly, for Sachin sir subject, you can tag Sachin sir. Okay, so now let's see the next. That is subject schedule. What is the subject schedule and what is the subject sequence? Okay. See, before I answer this doubt, before I take this topic, okay, let me tell you one thing. See, whenever you have some doubt, your purpose should be that, okay, your doubt should be resolved. Now, if some student is resolving your doubt, that is also good, right? Okay, so see, in the private group, okay, you will tag us in some theory of computation doubt. Let's assume you are tagging me, but before I see your message, maybe someone will also reply. Okay, maybe basically your doubt will get resolved very, I can say, very fast. Okay, because there will be many students who are preparing. Okay, out of these students, single digit rankers will come, double digit rankers will come, so these students are going to become topper next year. Okay, so if they are resolving your doubt, that is also very good. Similarly, you can resolve others doubt. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Whenever some student is asking a doubt and you are answering that doubt, you are resolving that doubt, your own knowledge will improve. Okay, whenever you resolve someone else's doubt, then your own knowledge, your own confidence will improve. Okay, so do it for yourself. Okay, so basically we have a community, we have a private Telegram group. In that private Telegram group, okay, we have discussions. Basically, okay, we have discussions. You have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, and you can also answer others doubt. Okay, ultimately the only purpose is that your doubt should get resolved, right? That is the only purpose, right? Okay,
Right.
so now let's see the subject schedule and the sequence. So this is the subject schedule. In the first week, we are going to study the fundamental course. In this fundamental course, what we will teach you, okay, we will tell you, don't worry. But in the first week, we are going to tell you the basics of computer science. Okay, basically those topics we will tell you, which we will use throughout the course. Okay, basically very simple topics which you study in your school life, I can say. Okay, the topics, the concepts from your school life which you need to know, okay, for your gate computer science preparation, those topics we will discuss in the fundamental course. So you can see one thing, that we start from the basics, we start from the scratch. Okay, the first topic will be, I can say, summation, sigma, summation. Okay, summation and series. So logarithm. So these basic topics which you study in your school life, these topics we will teach you in the fundamental course. Okay, anything, any topic which you, I can say, which you need to know for your gate computer science preparation, those topics we are going to cover in the fundamental course. So you can see we always start from the basics, we always start from the fundamental. Basically no prerequisite is required. If you enroll for the gate computer science course, okay, for the go classes course, then you don't need any prerequisite. Every subject, every course, everything is will start, every course will start from the basics. Okay, from the scratch.
So here in the schedule, you might have noticed that we have pushed, the system subject before, right? So, for example, like we are taking computer networks before the data section algorithm. So this time, like I mean, since the subjects are already recorded, but this time we have changed the order with respect to the last year. Last year the subject order was different. This year the subject order is different. and we have done it to make sure that you understand the difficult subjects before the easy subjects, right? So like we particularly think that data structure algorithm operating system are comparatively easy than for example computer network, COA, these kind of subjects. So we want to I mean the we want to cover the subjects which are little bit difficult for many of the aspirants. For example, computer organization is difficult. Computer networks is difficult. So we want to cover them in the early month of the preparation, so that you over the time you will be getting more confidence in those subjects. So for example, if we finish let's suppose the computer networks by the end of July, then you will be getting more time for the computer networks later on, right? So that is why we have pushed few subjects here and there to make sure that your preparation will be very smooth.
But you can notice one thing, that the sequence of these subjects, that is according to the prerequisite. For example, see, digital logic you must study before computer organization, right? Okay, digital logic, this you must study before computer organization. So that is the reason you can easily see in our schedule. First we have digital logic, and then we have this computer organization, right? So you can see, similarly, this compiler design you must study after the theory of computation. Okay, this compiler design you must study after theory of computation. So that is the reason you can see this is the sequence. Okay, so similarly you can see algorithm data structure you must study after C programming. Okay, after C programming, so you can see this is the sequence. Okay, first C programming we will do, then we will do data structure algorithm. Okay, so you can see we are following basically the sequence of these, I can say the order of these subjects, that is, I can say, in a very nice way. Okay, similarly you can see we always start with mathematics. We always start with mathematics. For example, you can see discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics. This is your engineering mathematics. Okay, so let me write it here. So this is, you can see this is your engineering
Engineering.
mathematics. Okay, so you can see discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics. We start in Go classes. You can see every year. Okay, for the last three, or I can say for the last 3 years. Okay, we always start our course. We always start our batch with mathematics, because you also know that if you become good at mathematics, then automatically all the subjects will become very easy for you. Okay, so discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics, this is our starting point. You can see our starting point will be the fundamental course. Your school life concept we will teach you. Then we will teach you discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics. We will complete your mathematics part. Okay, we will make you confident in the mathematics. Your mathematics will become very good. Then automatically the remaining subjects will automatically become easy for you. Okay, so this is the sequence. Okay, very carefully we have planned this sequence. This is not a random sequence, right? Okay, because I
Hmm.
see in many coaching institute I see, okay, they just give random sequence. Okay, discrete mathematics they teach at the end. Okay, DBMS they teach at the beginning. Okay, they are teaching compiler design at the beginning. Okay, some random sequence they are following. Okay, but you can see in Go classes every year we always follow a very proper sequence, the sequence in which you should study these subject, that sequence we are following. Okay, so you can see.
And also, like first 2-3 months, if you notice, March, April, and May, first 2-3 months, we have kept it. I mean, with respect to the another schedule, so we will be following two subjects, right? So another subject which is linear algebra, probability calculus. So for first 3 months, we have kept it light in the sense that these three particular topics or the topics of engineering mathematics not that much lengthy. So these are the small topic but very scoring and also nice to study. So we want you to cover them with the discrete mathematics, and for the second column we have kept it little light because linear algebra might hardly take 15 days if you do it alone, but I mean alone, that too, normal pace, just a 2 hour per day. But we took it 1 month just because you grasp discrete mathematics concept very well. So that's why for first 2-3 months we kept it light with respect to the second subject, and then we will be slowly catching up. Okay.
See, actually, let me tell you about discrete mathematics. Just one line, let me tell you. Anyone knows in MIT, you know MIT, okay? So in MIT, anyone knows what discrete mathematics is called in MIT? Okay, I have some issues with my pen. I will correct it. But
Okay.
okay, in MIT, anyone knows what discrete mathematics course is called? Discrete mathematics course is called mathematics for computer science. Yes, yes, yes. So in MIT, actually, this discrete mathematics course, this is actually called mathematics for computer science. Okay, maths for computer science. You can see this is the name. Okay, in MIT, the name of discrete mathematics course is Mathematics for Computer Science. So you can see this course is very important, right? Yes or no? So this course you are the concept that you will study in this course you will use throughout the computer science in all the subjects. In discrete mathematics you will study first order logic, you will study graph theory, you will study combinatorics, set theory, functions. Okay, so basically many concepts that you will study you will use in every subject. Okay, you will use graph theory in algorithm, in data structure, you will use in compiler design, you will use combinatorics in every subject. There is not a single subject in which you will not use combinatorics. Okay, similarly functions. Okay, functions is everywhere. Without functions there is no mathematics, right? So you can see functions. So this is what I'm telling you, set function relation. Okay, so basically that is the reason what we want you to have, I can say, we want you to become expert of this subject. This is what our target. This is our target. That is the reason. That is the reason you can see discrete mathematics will go on for the first 2 months. Okay, in parallel. Okay, we are not keeping any tight schedule. You can see actually this engineering mathematics. Let me tell you honestly, this engineering mathematics is only 1 month subject, right, Sachin? Okay, this
Yes,
engineering
even
mathematics.
lesser. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So this engineering mathematics, honestly speaking, this is a 1 month subject. Okay, but still, what we are doing, we are keeping it like linear algebra in March, probability in April, and calculus in May. The reason is this discrete mathematics you should be very, I can say, you should be very good at. Okay, you should be expert in the concepts of discrete mathematics. Okay, that is the reason. So okay, so that is the reason for the first 2 months, mainly I can say this discrete mathematics is going to be the main subject. Okay, but of course in the first 2 months linear algebra, probability, these two subject also will complete. Okay, now
Right.
let's move on. So remember this discrete mathematics is very important. Okay, once you study this discrete mathematics nicely, then everything will become very smooth. Okay, every subject will become very smooth. Okay, and let me also tell you that I and Sachin, we will be teaching you all the subjects. Okay, so this is the classification, this is the distribution of subjects among me and Sachin. So you can see Sachin sir is going to teach you C language, data structure algorithm, compute network, engineering mathematics, which includes linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus. Okay, so these are the subjects, and also operating system. So let me mark it. So you can see these are the subjects that Sachin sir will be teaching you. Okay, and discrete mathematics, database, COA, digital logic, theory of computation, these subjects I will teach you. And you can see compiler design has two part. There is front end Sachin sir will teach, and back end I will teach. Okay, so you can see compiler design, front end Sachin sir will teach, and back end I am going to teach. So all the subjects will be covered by me and Sachin sir. Okay, so this is the monthly schedule you can see. Okay, if you follow this schedule, because all the subjects are already ready, right? All the subjects, all the lectures, they are already recorded, everything is ready. Okay, the entire content is ready. So if you follow this sequence, if you follow this schedule, then by the month of October, your, I can say, this schedule will be over. Okay, this schedule, your course will be over. Okay, your preparation almost will be over. Okay, then in the next 3 months you can focus on, completely you can focus on test series revision. Okay, here you can focus on test series, mock test. Okay, mock tests, you can focus on marathons, you can focus on revision practice. Okay, marathons. So basically you can do revision. Okay, and you can solve the previous year gate questions also again. Okay, so this is what you can do. Now, let me tell you the first topic that we will teach you. The first topic that we will teach you, that is fundamentals of computer science. All the fundamental concepts, all the basic concepts of computer science we are going to teach you. So you can see this in the discrete mathematics course. The first module, look at the first module in the discrete mathematics course. This is the module 1. Module 1 is fundamentals of computer science. Okay, as I told you, we always start with the fundamental concepts, with the basic concepts. Okay, so you can see in this fundamental series we are going to teach you concepts like summation, sigma notation. Okay, properties of sigma, shifting indexes. Okay, so you can see there will be homework. You can see after lecture 1 there is homework 1. Okay, we also provide annotated notes. You can see for the lecture 1, the annotated notes also will be available. Okay, you can see this is the lecture number 2, sequence and series. Okay, sequence and series, you can see annotated notes is provided to you. Okay, you can see there is homework for the lecture 2. Okay, there is homework. After that, you can see there is GP, geometric progression. Okay, for that also there is homework, annotated notes. Okay, similarly, you can see there is modular arithmetic. Okay, there is homework, there is annotated notes. So these are the basic concepts. You can see GP, AP. Okay, here we are going to teach you GP, AP. So these geometric and arithmetic progression, because these concepts you can use in other subjects. Okay, in computer network also, such in this GP is used, right, in one concept.
Yes. Yes. So basically, these are the even for the aptitude. Like in GATE, there are many questions, and I mean every year I can say one or two questions are there. There they use GP or AP. I mean at least sequence and series questions uses GP and AP in the aptitude, and similarly modular arithmetic. So this is one of the concept which is also being used here and there. And like there are few concepts like series and summation. So these are the kind of concept which will be using here and there. Because see, like you might be thinking that why we are teaching this, like you most of you might already be knowing, like, and we agree with that. But there are students who might have directly come, without their 11th or 12th class. I mean, there are people who skip their 11th or 12th class. I mean, they do diploma or some other kind of courses, and then they start preparing for GATE. So we do not assume anything. We want to make sure that anyone from any background, whoever is coming, you should be follow you should be able to follow the course. Which means that we are not saying that okay, you should already knowing your 11th class mathematics, or you should already be knowing your 12th class mathematics, like this, right? So we do not assume anything. We will be telling you everything from scratch, whatever is needed to crack GATE computer science.
Yes, you
Okay.
just have to follow the sequence. Okay, just follow the sequence. You will not face any difficulty. Okay, we are going to teach you everything from the basics, from the scratch. We are going to teach you. Okay, so just follow the sequence. Okay, so we will not assume anything. Like we are not going to assume that okay, you know algorithm. Sorry, you know logarithm. You know there is a concept of logarithm. So you can see. Okay, so logarithm also will be taught here in this. Okay, I think that slide is missing. Okay, not to
Yeah,
worry.
that screenshot, I okay, I removed
Okay,
it, but yeah.
okay. So no problem. So basically, logarithm also we will teach. Okay, this logarithm. Okay, so you can see. So this logarithm also we will teach. So this is what we are telling you. Like in the fundamental course, okay, in this I can say fundamental of computer science course, you can see this summation, series, okay, sequence and series, logarithm, AP, GP, modular arithmetic. You can see proof techniques. Okay, like you can see proof by contradiction, proof by contrapositive, okay, proof by induction. So all these concepts we will teach. Okay, this is the point. So we are always starting with the basics. Okay, you can see that once you study these fundamental concepts, then you will become very confident. Okay, that now you know the basics. Okay, now you are not going to get stuck anywhere. Okay, so basically all these things we will cover. Okay, now let me tell you about weekly quizzes. Okay, the most favorite, I can say, part of Go
Mhm.
classes. Okay, I can say this is the most favorite part for all the Go classes students. You can ask anyone, they will tell you that weekly quizzes. The reason is, let me tell you, every week we will give you one or two quizzes. And the reason why these weekly quizzes are very successful, because they will help you stay consistent. See, these weekly quizzes are like the milestone. Okay, you are preparing. Okay, for 7 days, or I can say for 6 days, you are preparing. Okay, for 6 days, then there will be a weekly quiz. Okay, then there is going to be a weekly quiz. So this weekly quiz is like a milestone. Okay, so this weekly quiz is going to keep you consistent. It will help you stay consistent. It will help you stay motivated. Okay, that you will be thinking, yes, next weekly quiz is coming. Okay, so I just have to study for 6 days. I have to put my best effort, and then I have to attempt this weekly quiz. Then again, okay, then again I have to study for 6 days. I have to put my best effort. I have to watch the lectures, do the homework. Okay, I will put my best effort, and then I will attempt the weekly quiz. So you can see weekly quizzes are like the milestones. Okay, so like this, okay, like this it will go. So they will keep you motivated, they will keep you consistent. Okay, and remember one thing, for every weekly quiz there is discussion. Okay, for every weekly quiz, detailed video solution will be provided to you. We will do detailed and complete analysis of every weekly quiz. Okay, so that is another benefit, that once you attempt the weekly quiz, Let's assume it does not matter how many marks you are getting. Remember, in any weekly quiz, how many marks you are getting, it does not matter. Okay. After the weekly quiz is over, you just go through all the questions, you check what are the mistakes you made, you see the video solution. Okay, you do the improvement. Okay, the improvement is the purpose. So after the analysis of the weekly quiz, you must feel in your heart, in your mind, you must feel that a lot of improvement you made. Okay, in one weekly quiz, a lot of improvement you made. Okay, so purpose of weekly quiz is only one, that is stay consistent, to keep you motivated, and also to improve. Okay,
Right.
Sachin.
So is there anyone who is, you know, previously a student here and who is attending this session? Because you already know, right? You already know what are the weekly quizzes. So few students has replied, who are from the previous batch. They are saying the weekly quizzes are there to make you humble. So yeah, that is that is one thing, that if you think that, okay, I mean, see, that this is a part of preparation. So which means sometimes few of the students think that, okay, my preparation is going too good, right? So so it is better to check it. Instead of just assuming by themselves, it is better to check it. So so weekly quiz are there to make sure that you stay consistent. These are there to make sure that you are not underconfident. These are there to make sure you are not overconfident either, right? So like these weekly quizzes are designed, as Deepak and I told you, these weekly are designed with the many standard resources. And there are many students who are saying, okay, one student is saying that yes, weekly quiz is celebrated as a festival. So yeah, yeah, that is an event. So this is a festival at Go Classes. Yes, this is really true. Weekly, one of the other student is saying that weekly quizzes are the prize that you learn a concept. So yes, this is also definitely true. So weekly quizzes are actually very close to our heart. The only reason is that these are only for enrolled students. So we make sure that our students face the more challenge, right? I mean, the gate might not be as hard as weekly quizzes. Let us tell you honestly. So weekly quizzes are little harder than gate, but there is no harm in attempting challenging questions, right? So because at the end of the day, you learn many things. So as I told you initially, just don't target to achieve 100% in weekly quiz, because you can't honestly do it, and gate also doesn't require it. Even in gate, if you get 60%, in gate if you get 60%, then also mostly you will be getting top 500 rank. So Deepak, is this true?
Yes, yes. Actually, more than 60 marks in most years, if the paper is not too easy, okay, if the paper is not too easy, I can say if the paper is average level, then 60 marks simply means you are in top 500.
Right, right. So similarly, don't think in weekly quizzes that you are going to, you know, get 100% of the marks, because it cannot happen. So that's why have a practical target, and it is better to target more than 30% initially and then gradually improve. So if you are getting, let's suppose, more than 50% in weekly quiz, then you are actually doing very good. See, it's just a one way implication, in the sense that even if you're not getting more than 40% in the weekly quiz, then also it is fine. The reason being is that it is making you prepare and have the practical mindset in your mind, which means that since you're preparing first time, that's why don't think that, okay, in the first time you should be knowing all the concept. Because see, we will teach you the concept, we will teach you all the concepts, but it takes some time to apply those concepts to the questions. So have patience till September or October. So why we are telling you now? Because it's just a February. Because you know, many people lose the patience in just March or April, seeing that, okay, they are finding difficulty in solving p package or like that, right? So just don't do it, because you know, after a few months, maybe after 4 5 months, you will get to connect many of the things. So for example, that today you are learning some concept, then it might not be possible that you are capable to apply that particular concept immediately in the next question, right? Maybe it might take some time, but eventually everything will get connected. So for the weekly quiz, just take it as a milestone. Just take it as a purpose of consistency. Don't worry about the marks in the weekly quiz. Okay, don't worry about the marks. So don't worry at all.
A student is asking weekly quizzes को अलग से सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा? No, weekly quizzes are part of our complete course. Okay, if you are Go Classes course enrolled student, then weekly quizzes access you will get. Okay, so don't worry, weekly quizzes are part of our course. Okay, a student is asking MSQ multi select question. MSQ is available in weekly quizzes. Yes, in weekly quizzes there is MCQ, MSQ, and NAT. Okay, so all the type of questions will be there. So remember one thing, again I'm telling you that weekly quizzes, the purpose of weekly quizzes, the purpose is very simple: to keep you motivated, to keep you consistent. Okay, and also basically weekly quizzes are like a milestone. Okay, like every week you study, then attempt the weekly quiz. So basically in your mind you will not have 365 days. See, if you think about the entire mountain, okay, then it will become very very hectic for you if you think about climbing the mountain. But if you just think about taking one step, right, then it is very easy. Yes or no? It becomes very easy. If you are looking at the entire mountain, then you will be scared. You will be scared. Okay, you will not be able to climb it. But if you are just taking it one step at a time, right? There is a line, one step at a time. Okay, so just look at the one step. Just take the next step. Okay, just keep taking the next step. And this is like an induction. Okay, prove by induction. You will climb the mountain. So the same thing is here also, that these weekly quizzes, these are like a milestone. These are like the, I can say, step. Okay, just take the next step, just take the next step, keep taking this step. Okay, this next step you keep taking till the gate exam. Okay, so in weekly quizzes, how many marks you are getting, that does not matter. You just have to improve. Okay, just do the analysis of the, like, do your best. Okay, give your best attempt. Okay, solve every question, try to get marks. But how many marks you are getting, that does not matter. Just improve. Okay, go through all the questions, do the analysis of each question, and do improve. As I told you that after the weekly quiz analysis, you must feel that you have improved a lot. Your understanding, your knowledge, okay, that has improved a lot. So this is about weekly quizzes. And weekly quizzes you can find basically on the Go Classes website. You can just go to the Go Classes website. You can see there is a button here on the Go Classes website. There is a button on the top that is weekly quizzes. Okay, right now let me tell you, these are the weekly quizzes that we conducted. Actually there are many. Okay, this is just one screenshot. Okay, actually there are, I think, 35 weekly quizzes are there last year. This
Yes.
year there will be more than 50. Yes, Sachin?
Yes, right. So we will add actually more weekly quizzes there. We will. The reason is that last year, like last year, we have got very nice feedback about the weekly quizzes. So this time we are sure that we will be adding more weekly quizzes, because whatever is benefiting students, and wherever we want to improve, we will do it this year, right? So there will be many enhancement with respect to previous year batch, which means the weekly quizzes is one enhancement, and there are many enhancement that we will be doing this year.
One more thing I want to tell you to all the students. Actually we want to force this consistency on you. Okay, that is the reason. Let me tell you, when can you attempt the weekly quiz? See see the weekly quiz you can attempt anytime. Let me tell you. Okay, like for example, let's assume that weekly quiz 1. Okay, let's assume that weekly quiz 1 that becomes live. Okay, that becomes live on, let's assume, uh let's
First of
assume,
March, for example.
yeah,
Okay.
okay, just let me write. Okay, 2nd of March. Okay, let me write
Okay.
2nd of March. So let's assume that weekly quiz 1 becomes live on 2nd of March. Then let me tell you, this weekly quiz you can attempt anytime. Okay, throughout the year. Okay, till the gate exam. Like, okay, you can attempt anytime. Remember, this you can attempt anytime, but you can attempt anytime. But what is best for you? Can you tell me what is best for you? Because weekly quizzes, they will help you stay consistent, stay motivated. So what is best for you? The best thing is for you is that you attempt it within 2 days. Okay, the best. What is best for you? Let me tell you. This is best for you, that you attempt within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so you just attempt it within 2 3 days. Attempt in 2 3 days. Okay, so within the 2 3 days you attempt it. Let me tell you that we want you to attempt within 2 3 days because we want you to stay consistent. Okay, and that is the reason. That is the reason. If you attempt within 2 3 days, then rank will be visible. Then rank will be generated. Your rank will be generated. Okay, so if you attempt this weekly quiz within the 2 3 days, okay, then your rank will be generated. Otherwise, you can attempt anytime. You can see the questions, you can see the solutions, you can attempt it. Okay, all the things you can do. The only thing is rank will not be generated. The only thing is rank will not be generated. Okay, the rank will not be generated. This is the only thing. So again I'm telling you from bottom of my heart, because your target is to crack the gate exam. You want to become a topper of the gate exam. So that if you want to do that, you should stay consistent. and we want you to stay consistent. That is the reason we put this condition. Okay, this condition we are putting, you can see, the reason is because we want to force this consistency on you. You should be consistent, and this is our, I can say, from our side, this is a small effort that we are making so that you stay consistent, right, Sachin?
Yes, right. So this is one of the effort. Live classes are another kind of effort that we are making to make sure that you are consistent, because consistency is key, as they say, right?
So remember, we want you to become topper every year. Okay, next year also. Every year we are getting many top rankers in the top 100. This year, in GATE 2024, the expected All India rank one. So far, the expected All India rank one is from Go classes. Okay, you already know. Okay, many of you already know that right now, using the GATE first answer key, the expected All India rank one is from Go classes complete course. Okay, so we want to see you next year as a All India rank one, All India rank two. Basically, just fill all the single digit ranks, all the double digit ranks. Okay, basically just become a topper. Okay, and if you want to become a topper, from my experience, from Sachin's experience, because we have attempted GATE exam, we have cracked GATE exam many times. So that is the reason I can say that if you want to become a topper, if you want to do best for yourself, okay, then stay consistent, and this is one of the effort from our side to keep you consistent. Okay, so remember this point. Any weekly quiz you can attempt anytime, but if you attempt within 2 3 days, then rank will be generated, else the rank will not be generated. Most of the time we will give you only 2 days. Okay, these 2 days, within the 2 days window, okay, within 2 days you have to attempt this weekly quiz if you want to generate your rank. Basically, if you want to see uh, in the rank list, okay, where you stand. Okay, so if you want to basically if you want to become a part of the consistent students, okay, there is a set of students who are consistent. Okay, and there is another set of students who are not consistent. If you want to become a part of the set of consistent students, then this is what you need to do. Okay, so any other doubt related to weekly quizzes, let me know. See, let me tell you that you want to do best for yourself. We also want to do best for yourself, because we want to see you become topper next year. So we will do a lot of things to keep you consistent. I have seen Sachin. I have seen Sachin. What Sachin does, let me tell you. You can ask our previous year students. You can ask in the Telegram, in the private Telegram group, or in the private announcement group on the Telegram. Sachin shares every month, or I can say periodically. Sachin shares some motivational message. He will share his own strategy, his own I can say experience, his own gate journey. Some message he will write. Okay, big messages. Let me tell you, big messages he will type. These are not copy pasted messages. If you read the message, you will feel that these messages Sachin is typing from the bottom of his heart. Okay, he's sharing his own preparation journey. Okay, some tips and tricks he will be sharing. So basically, all these things that we do, okay, whether these are weekly quizzes, okay, all these small things like rank will be generated if you attempt within the 2 days. Okay, so all these small things that we do so that you stay consistent. Okay, so we are doing a lot of efforts. You should also do, I can say, you should also put your best efforts.
Right.
So you can just visit the Go Classes homepage. You can see, you can visit the Go Classes website. Okay, go to this goclasses.in website. You can see here, you will find the weekly quizzes. Okay, this weekly quizzes, here you can click and you will find. Okay, don't worry, we will tell you everything, like which weekly quiz you need to attempt. We will tell you. Okay, so like just follow the course. Okay, within the course, actually let me tell you, how will you know when to attempt a weekly quiz? Okay, how will you know? So let me tell you, within the course you can see that it will be given. See, you will follow this sequence. Agree? You will follow this sequence. You will watch lecture 5. Okay, then you will do the homework of lecture 5. So you will follow this sequence you will follow, and then you will see, okay, there is a weekly quiz 1. Okay, so you can see in this sequence you just keep going. You don't have to put, you don't have to think too much. Just keep following this sequence, and you can see here, you will find weekly quiz 1. The link you will find here, you will find the link to attempt. Okay, you will find the link to attempt. Okay, and in the Go Classes announcement group, there is a private announcement group on the Telegram. In that group, we will tell you, we will tell you, okay, that we will announce that, okay, this weekly quiz is live. Weekly quiz, for example, 5 is live. We will announce it. Okay, this announcement will be done in the Go Classes private Telegram group, announcement group on the Telegram. Okay, so basically, this is these are all the things. You just have to follow the course. Okay, now let me tell you about the practice questions. How to do practice of questions, and basically which questions you need to practice. Okay, so let me tell you that in Go Classes course, if you follow this complete course, then a lot of practice you will be doing. Okay, this GATE CSE 2025, this Go Classes course, if you follow, a lot of practice you are going to do. Let me tell you, these are some of the, I can say, practice sets. You can see that in the lectures there will be a lot of questions. In the Go Classes lectures there will be a lot of questions. A lot of questions you will find in the lectures itself. So when you are watching the lecture, then a lot of questions you are solving. For example, in discrete mathematics there is a module that is combinatorics. This topic combinatorics is there. Let me tell you, when you study this combinatorics, within the lectures within the lectures you will find more than 300 different type of questions within the lectures, and this is just one topic in discrete mathematics. Okay, so a lot of practice you will be doing. Also, there are homework questions, there are weekly quizzes. Every week there will be one or two quizzes, remember. Okay, it is not necessary that only one quiz will be there. Sometimes there will be two quizzes also. Okay, so basically sometimes there will be one quiz, sometimes there will be two quizzes. Okay, so there will be weekly quizzes. A lot of questions you will have. There is Go Classes test series, which itself contains more than 4,000 questions, almost 4,000 questions. This test series itself will have. Okay, there is GATEOverflow test series. There are GATE previous year questions. Okay, last 35 years GATE previous year questions, and there will be marathon sessions, revision sessions, practice sessions. So a lot of practice material we are going to provide you. All you need to do, just follow the course. Is this clear? Okay.
So
So
actually, this is the doubt, or this is the one popular question that we always get, that from where to do practice. Now our counter question is that, do you really have time other than these all of this? Do you really have time to do to practice from anywhere else apart from solving our lecture questions, solving our homework questions, weekly quizzes test series, Go Classes test series, Get Overflow test series, and all the PYQs, marathon sessions? So do you really get time? Like we are really wondering if you can get time. So basically, few people ask that, okay, from where to do practice? Now our answer is that if you have time, then only you think about practicing from somewhere else. But we are sure that you won't be getting time, and it is not even worth. You also have to study the theoretical concept also, right? So you can't just keep on practicing. And this is one thing that many of the repeater think that they only need to practice. So also, like, we also address it in the beginning of the session. I'm again telling that don't be in that kind of loop, that you only need to solve the questions. You also have to study the concept nicely, then only you can solve the questions easily, right? So these are the list of the questions, and these are the questions to make sure that I mean, these are the list of sources of the questions, and we will make sure that every of the concept will be covered in all the questions, right? Which means that there will not be any concept which is not covered by the questions. So we will be having questions for every small topic, for every concept. So every single small topic, for example, in computer networks, if you think about, let's suppose, there is a topic called subnetting, supernetting. So for this particular topic, we will be having weekly quiz, and we will be having homework questions. We will be having questions of this topic in the test series. So for every particular concept, there will be many, many, many questions, either in the homework, weekly quiz, test series, or maybe in the lectures itself. We have many, many questions, right?
see, let me tell you the most beautiful thing. All these questions, all these are standard questions. All these are not, I can say, these are not some poor questions. These are not some ambiguous questions. These are standard questions from the standard books, from the top universities, from the NPTL, from the IITs. So basically, these are standard questions. That is the reason. I think many of you already know, okay, that uh, in GATE exam in 2024, there were 4 or 5 unique questions. See, in GATE 2024, 4 or 5 questions were there which they asked for the first time, like in the last 30 or 40 years. For the first time those questions were asked, and you will be surprised that those questions were in the Go Classes test series. Anyone remembers? Anyone knows this? Okay, have you seen this? That some questions which came in GATE 2024 exam for the first time in the last 30-40 years, for the first time those type of questions came. That particular question came for the first time, and it was there in the Go Classes test series. Okay, so I think there was a Sachin computer network question that
Yes,
switch, and that switch question that was in our Go Classes test series.
right.
And I think
Many questions
those,
like 4 5 easily. I mean, though actually, Deepak, you pointed rightly. So those are the unique questions. So basically, see, the complete gate is obviously is going to be the going to be from the concept which we are teaching. So we are not bragging about the concept which are repeated often. So we are emphasizing on the things which are unique, which means there was a question in computer network that okay, which MAC address will be used or something like that. Like if you are studying first time, then you might not get it, but there was a question from computer network that okay, which of the if you're sending a packet, then the MAC address will be used of the switch or the router or something like that. And we had that question two times in the test series, as it is question, as it is. And let me tell you one thing, in the test series, when the answer was given, then in the test series I'm telling you, not in the gate, when the answer was given by me, then many of the students were shocked because they were not knowing that concept. So many of the students thought that the answer itself is wrong. So then they commented that, sir, I think there is some typo in the answer. So then I explained them in the more detail that why this particular answer is the only the correct answer. So basically, from that particular question, they learned that okay, this is the concept, this is the correct concept, and they applied that particular concept in the GATE 2024, and they did it correctly. So I don't exactly remember whether it is 1 mark or 2 mark question. So assuming, let's suppose it is a 2 mark question because it is MSQ, it was MSQ also. So they did it correctly just because of our test series. And then in the YouTube community post, we asked that how many of you did this question correctly because of our test series. Then there were many replies, there were many likes on that particular post, and many replies were saying that I did it correctly just because of the test series. And this is just one example of the question. There were many questions. There was a question in the operating system which were asking the value of x plus y. Do anyone remember the in the multi-level paging they were asking the value of x plus y? Okay, so that particular Deepak, you have you seen that YouTube
I have
community
seen
post?
that. I have seen that
Okay,
in the test series.
actually,
It was there.
yeah, actually, interesting thing is that the last line, the value, I mean, the question word to word was same. In the at least in the last line, the value of x plus y question mark. I also asked in the same way. It was just a coincidence that okay, the words I have written the same way, that okay, the x is the minimum number of page tables, y is the maximum number of page tables. Tell us the value of x plus y. And as it is, the same question was there in the GATE 2024. So that is why we are saying that this particular source of the question is more than enough. You don't need anything else. If you solve all the questions provided here, I mean in this list, then I don't think there is any single resource is required.
See, let me tell you, all these questions you can see in our lectures, in our homework, weekly quizzes, test series. Okay, all these questions that you can see, we take from the standard resources. Okay, like we collect from many standard resources. Okay, like thousands of standard resources. We have, I can say, we have gone through. Okay, we have collected gate relevant questions. Okay, and then we put in our I can say in our weekly quizzes, in our test series, in our homework. So this is what we do. We keep collecting gate relevant questions from the standard resources. Okay, all around the, I can say, all around the world. Okay, from all the top universities, from all the standard books, we collect the questions, and we convert those questions into MCQ, MSQ, because many times what happens, those questions are subjective type of questions. So we collect those questions. Okay, we convert those questions into MCQ, MSQ, or NAT type. Then we provide the solutions, because for many times for these questions the solutions are not available. Okay, only the question is available. So we write the explanation, we provide the solution. So this is what we do. Basically, we are providing you next year's gate exam questions in our weekly quizzes, in our test series. Because see, just think about one thing. the gate exam question next year the gate exam question, okay, these are created by professors, right? Yes or no? The old IITs and IIC professors, they will create the questions for the gate exam. Now these professors, they only follow standard resources, okay, throughout the year they are following the standard resources. So most probably they will take the questions from some standard resource, or I can say their question will be influenced, or I can say their question will be based on some standard resource, right? Okay, so that is the reason go classes students, they get benefited. Okay, this benefit students, go classes students get, because they are already solving the standard questions. Okay, they are not solving any poor question, they are not solving any, I can say, any ill framed question. So all the questions you are solving are well framed from the top universities, from the standard resources. Okay, so let's move on now. So a lot of practice basically you will be doing. Okay, and as Sachin has already told that it will be wonder if you have time to do more practice than this. Okay, this already you can see this is I can say a lot of practice, right? Okay, so if you can just do all these things, then that itself means you have done the best preparation of the gate exam. Okay. As you already know, this year we are going to provide you summary lectures for all the subjects which are, I can say, 100 plus hours. Okay. Like, let me tell you that we will provide you summary lectures for discrete mathematics, for theory of computation, for DBMS. Okay. So, for these subjects, okay, for digital logic, so for these subjects we will provide you summary lectures also, because these are big subject. Like discrete mathematics is a very big subject, DBMS, theory of computation, these are also big subject. So we are going to provide you summary lectures for these subjects, and we will try to provide you summary lectures of the remaining subject also. But for these big subject, I can say this discrete mathematics, this is very big. Actually digital logic is not that big. Okay, so let me tell you the big subject, like discrete mathematics, theory of computation, and DBMS. These are big subjects, and for these subjects summary lectures also will be provided to you. So I want to tell you one thing, whether you are repeater, if you have already prepared for the gate exam, okay, then also I'm telling you, and if you are preparing for the gate exam first time, then also you should watch all the lectures, don't skip any lecture, because maybe there is some misconception that you might correct. Okay, by watching our lecture, maybe some misconception will clear. Okay, or maybe you will find some new type of question, maybe some new concept you will learn. Okay, or maybe some concept that you have already studied, maybe you will study that concept with proof, with more clear understanding. So that is the reason, watch all the lectures. But what these summary lectures will do, these summary lectures are going to help you in your revision. Okay, basically when after the discrete mathematics, let's assume you have completed discrete mathematics main course. Okay, so after completing the discrete mathematics, now, after 1 month, if you want to revise discrete mathematics, then you can just watch the summary lectures. So these summary lectures are going to help you in your revision. Okay, these summary lectures you can use as your short notes. Okay, so these are going to be very helpful. Okay, very helpful, these summary lectures. So these we are going to provide you this year. Okay, this is, I can say, a new addition this year. Okay, and discrete mathematics, theory of computation, DBMS, for these subjects summary lectures will help you a lot, because these are big subject. Okay, and we will try to provide you summary lectures as many as possible. Okay, now let me discuss how to join live sessions. Okay, so for this orientation session, how did you join, can you tell me? In the similar way you can join all the live sessions. Okay, how did you join the live session, this orientation session, how did you join? So let me tell you, there are three ways to join any live session. Either you will get an app notification. Okay, many of you got the app notification, right? Yes or no? So how to join live sessions? The first way is app notification. Install the Go Classes app and you will get the notification. Okay, you can join from the website or from the app, I will tell you how. And you can join from the Telegram private announcement group. On the Telegram we have a private announcement group, from that also you can join. Okay, so let me tell you one by one how to join live sessions. Okay, you can see, you can join using the app notification. So install Go Classes Android or iOS app. We have Android app also, iOS app also. So install Go Classes app for Android or for iOS, and turn on notification. See, don't turn off notification. We are not going to spam you. Okay, we only give you notifications for the live sessions and for something, some new addition. If we are adding some new, let's assume weekly quiz. Okay, if we are adding uh, some new topic, okay, something new if we are adding, then we will give you the app notification. Otherwise you will not get any notification. So you will get app notification for the live sessions, and also for the additional things, like for example if we are adding a new weekly quiz, then you will get the app notification. Okay, so just turn on the app notification. You will not be spammed, like we are not going to spam you. Okay, so install the app, and you can see this type of notification you are going to get. You can see this one. This notification is from last year. You can see, okay, when we add some new topic, for example, if I am adding weekly quiz or some new topic in theory of computation, then you can see this notification you will get. Okay, you are going to get this notification that one item added. Okay, look at this notification. One item added, theory of computation 2024 updated. Okay, one new item added. Similarly, you can see this lecture 1b, closure properties of regular languages, live class has started. Okay, so these notifications you will get, right? Okay, this is the notification for the live session, and this is the notification if we add something new like weekly quizzes. Okay, if we are adding new homework, then you will get this notification. Okay, so you can see this, like you can see theory of computation updated. Okay, one item added. Okay, so like that. So this is your app notification. So download the app, okay, from the Go Classes website, or on the Play Store, on the Google Play Store, or I can say on the App Store. Search Go Classes and install the app, and turn on the notification. Also, you can join from the website. Also, you can see here. You can go to My Courses. Look at this. You can go to My Courses. For example, this is just a demo that in the discrete mathematics, if there is a live session, you will see this one upcoming live session. Okay, one upcoming live class. So you can similarly you can see, for example, if you go to this discrete mathematics course, let's assume in discrete mathematics, let's assume I have a live session, then you will see this thing, one upcoming live class. And if you go inside this discrete mathematics course, you will see this. Okay, look at this, time to go live. Okay, look at this. This is demo. Okay, look at this demo upcoming. So you will see this. Okay, you can see in the digital logic. Similarly, if we schedule some live class, then you will see this one upcoming live class. Okay, also another way to join the live session, that is from private announcement group on the Telegram. On the Telegram we have a private announcement group. Okay, from that group also you can join the live session. Okay, so these are the ways you can join the live sessions. Okay, so remember, for all the live sessions, for every live session, basically we will provide the link in the private Telegram announcement group. Okay, if you did not join this private group, if you did not join private discussion group, okay, then you can send a mail to us. Okay, then you can send a mail to us. Okay, now, so remember, if you want to join the all the private groups, join all the private groups. And to join all the private groups, send a mail to us, then we will add you in the private groups. Okay, now let's see doubt resolution. Okay, how you can get your doubts resolved. So the best way to get your doubts resolved, that is by asking your doubts in the private Telegram group. Okay, as you already know, we have a private Telegram group for doubt discussion. This group is only for the enrolled student. So you can join this group for doubt discussions. Okay, so just send us a mail to get added to these private groups. Okay, so this is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. So send a mail to us to get added in the private Telegram group for doubt discussion. You can see this type of private group is there. Okay, you can see this Go Classes private group for GATE CSE. Okay, you can see here. If you want to ask any doubt to me, then you can see Deepak sir doubts, Sachin sir doubts. Okay, so here you can see there is daily practice questions. Here students are putting daily practice questions. Let me tell you, as I told you, there is a community. Okay, all the students, they are helping each other. So you can see this is daily practice questions. Students, they keep putting daily practice questions. Okay, so these things will help you stay consistent. These things will help you in your revision also. Okay, like you can see, this is general, this is technical, but not necessary. See, if some doubt you have which is not relevant to GATE exam, then you can ask here. Okay, so ultimately, this is our Go Classes private group. You can see, you can tag me, for example. this student is tagging me, this is my reply. Okay, similarly this student is tagging me, this is my reply. Okay, you can see this another student is asking a doubt in the group theory, I have a doubt in group theory. Okay, then this is the reply, you can see. Okay, this is the reply. Similarly you can tag me, okay, like this student has tagged me. Okay, can you clear it, there is some doubt. Okay, can you clear it. You can see students are also replying. Okay, this student has some doubt, then this student is replying. Okay, so basically there is a community. Okay, this Go Classes private group is there. In this group, I and Sachin, we are actively participating. Okay, so and of course there are students also. Okay, all the classmates, all your batchmates who are preparing for gate 2025, they are also there. They will answer your doubts, you will answer their doubts, we will answer your doubts. So basically this discussion will keep going on. Okay, let me tell you, we have three private Telegram groups. Okay, Go Classes has three private Telegram groups. One group is for technical discussions only. As I told you, this group, okay, look at this group, this is only for technical doubts discussion, you can ask all your doubts here. There is announcement only group. In this group only we can write. Okay, only we can write, only Go Classes can write. Okay, so remember, only we can write, only Go Classes can write in this group. So basically all the important notifications, all the important announcements, okay, every important announcement will be shared in this group. So there is a group in which only Go Classes can write. Okay, only we can write. So you will get all the important announcements, all the important notifications in this group also. And there is a alumni group, as the name itself is telling you, alumni group. In this group you will find our previous year toppers, you will find our 2024 topper, 2023 toppers. Okay, so basically our previous year toppers also you will find. Those toppers who are right now, who are currently studying in IITs, ISC, IIIT Hyderabad, in the top colleges, you will find those students, our previous year toppers, you will find in this group. Okay, so you can discuss with them for motivation or for chit chat. So these are the three private telegram groups that we provide. You can see Go Classes has an alumni group. Okay, we like this, in this group all our previous toppers you will find. Okay, so a very nice community is there. You can see, this is the announcement group. Do you remember what I told you? I told you that Sachin writes big messages to keep you motivated. Okay, you can see this screenshot. So this screenshot is in the announcement group, private announcement group. You can see. Okay, you can see this is written by Sachin. Okay, so big messages just to keep you consistent, just to keep you motivated. You can see many students, they are liking this message. You can see 126 love reactions, 3 like reactions. Okay, so this is our announcement group, and this is our alumni group. Okay, in this alumni group you can see our students are there. Okay, so all our students are there, they are helping. Okay, you can see this is our previous year topper. Okay, so you can see that
Shubhodip.
what is the name, Sachin?
Shubhodip. Shubhodip.
Yes, Subhodip. Yes. Okay. So actually this some other name he is using on the Telegram. So this is Subhodip. Okay. So you can see that some student is asking some doubt. Okay. And you can see this is the reply. Okay. You can see here, you can see the reply. Okay. And you can see students are, you can react. Right. Okay. So like this, you can talk to the previous year toppers. Okay. Now, so for doubt resolution, you can discuss your doubts in the private Telegram group, or you can ask your doubts in the live sessions. Okay. Is this clear? Sachin, you want to say something?
Yeah, right. No, like you have covered all the things.
Okay. So the next point is mentorship and support. If you need some guidance from us, then you can send us a message on the Telegram, or you can ask in the alumni group, because in the alumni group, already as I told you, you can see this is the alumni group, right? Okay, in this alumni group, if you need some guidance, okay, then you can ask in this group also, in this alumni group also you can ask, because our previous year toppers who are right now, who are currently in IITs, ISC Bangalore, IIIT Hyderabad, these top colleges, okay, they will help you out, they will also guide you, we will also guide you, we are also available in this group, in this alumni group. Okay, so basically for guidance, remember, if you need any guidance, if you need motivation, mentorship, okay, if you need some any type of guidance, okay, technical, non technical, any type of guidance if you need, okay, if you want to talk to us, if you want to ask something to us, then you can ask in the private group also, you can ask, remember, you can ask in the private telegram group also, you can ask, you can send personal telegram message also, okay. Let me tell you one thing, when you send personal telegram message, then we try to answer as many, we try to reply as many messages as possible, but sometimes some messages will get missed, right? Yes or no? Because every day we are getting hundreds of messages on the telegram. We try to answer, to reply as many as possible, and of course our course enrolled students, they are our priority. Go classes students, they are our top priority. So our first priority is go classes students, to reply to the go classes students, that is our first priority. And but still, sometimes if we miss your message, then feel free to remind us, okay, then feel free to remind us, see, okay. Or you can tag us in the private telegram group, okay, because this private telegram group, this we check very frequently, okay. So in the private telegram group you can tag us, okay, or you can send a personal telegram message. Many messages every day we reply, okay, every day, many messages, many personal telegram messages we reply, okay. So you can send here also. And there will be monthly guidance session, so there will be live session in which we will only discuss your issues, okay, what basically what guidance you need, you can ask your doubts, okay. So there will be monthly guidance session. Last year also we took many monthly guidance session. This year also we will take, okay, many more, okay, comparing to the last year, we will take more monthly guidance session this year. So in these sessions, these will be live sessions, let me tell you. In these live sessions you can ask all the, I can say, guidance related or mentorship related doubts, okay. So you can see, like if you want to ask some doubt to Sachin sir, you can tag Sachin sir and you can ask your doubts. You, like you can see, this student is asking this doubt, okay, some doubt this student is asking. So like this you can ask, okay. You can see here, Sisi Roy. Sisi Roy is all India rank 29, okay. Sisir is our previous year topper, okay. So Sisir is gate 2023 topper. Right now he is studying in ISC Bangalore, but still many times he is also replying to students doubts, okay. Many doubts Sisir also solves. So you can see our previous year toppers, they also contribute to the discussion, okay. They also resolve your doubts, okay. So many doubts, okay. Here, can anyone tell me here, many of you might have got replied, many of you might have got reply from Sisir, right? So many times, many doubts Sisir will also solve, okay. And many other toppers also, like the Anjali and Alpan, okay, Subhodeep, okay, Harsbir. So there are many toppers who also will answer your doubts, okay. Like a student is saying here, Sachin, you can see, Sisir sir personally replied me. Yes, that's what basically that's the
Right.
community, okay. So you can see here also, Sisir is typing, okay. So use this
So
community.
many, yeah, many, and also Anjali has replied recently. Look, so someone was asking that what are the list of questions which are useful in the final revision. So Anjali has compiled, one list of questions at her time of preparation. So as many of you might be knowing that Anjali got AI at 13 in GATE 2023. So she had one document, right, which were having a list of questions. So what Anjali did, like if someone asked that, okay, can anyone share list of questions which are definitely must do questions for the final revision? Then Anjali has replied. So this is another example. Shishir many times reply, and we have already told you one reply from Shobodip. So there are many toppers which are there to help you. But let me tell you one thing, that if you are in any community, okay, not just Go classes, but if you are in any community, then it is always give and take. So if you reply, okay, if you have someone, then there will be 10 hands who will be replying you. If you just reply, maybe if you just spend 10 minutes, okay, 5 or 10 minutes in the Telegram group in helping others, then your reply will always get immediately answered by someone. The reason is very obvious, because if you help someone, then there are many people who are ready to help you. But if you show up only to ask the question, then obviously as an organization we will help you, like I and Deepak will be replying. But I'm telling you as a community that if you're expecting that, okay, many people answer your question with many variations, many people answer your question, or the counter question, your question, then you just spend 5 or 10 minutes, and then you will see the magic. You just be consistent for 5 or 10 minutes in the Telegram group. Just reply to some people, and it's just not that you are helping them, you are also helping yourself. See, as Deepak also mentioned, that if you are solving someone's doubt, then for sure your concept in that particular question, or in that particular concept, will be more clear compared to previous. Why we can say that? I mean, how I'm telling you that confidently, because we are teacher, and we know that more doubt we solve, we get more strong in that particular topic. So that's why it is applicable to anyone. So the more doubt you will be solving for other student, you will you will also be strong, I mean, making your concept stronger. And also you, whenever you are in also in the problem, or whenever you are seeking for some help, then there will be many people replying to you. So it is just an advice, just spend 5 minutes, okay, 5 or 10 minutes to help someone. It is bringing many benefits to the community, to yourself also. 5 or 10 minutes is not a big deal, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So let me tell you about Go Classes app. We have Android app also, iOS app also. So you can install Android app or iOS app depending on which phone you have. Okay, so this app is available on the Play Store or on the App Store. You can search Go Classes. Okay, just search Go Classes and you can install the app and turn on the app notification. You can install the app. You can click the Android app. You can find the Android app here also. You can see. Okay, download app on the Go Classes website. Just go to the Go Classes website. Okay, and you can download the app also. Okay, let me tell you about notes making. Many students they ask, sir, should we make our own notes? Should we use annotated notes? So this is the doubt many students ask. First of all, let me tell you, we will provide you annotated notes. Okay, for every lecture we will provide you annotated notes, but it is always suggested, it is always recommended that you make your own notes. Okay, because that is very important, that is very crucial. If you have your own notes, then it will help you in the revision. When you do the revision, then it will help you a lot. But what we can do, okay, see, we can provide you annotated notes, that we will do. Okay, for every lecture we will provide you annotated notes. Also we will provide you students handwritten notes. Okay, so Go Classes students who are making notes by watching Go Classes lectures. Okay, so basically the handwritten notes of students of the Go Classes lectures, those also we will provide you. For example, you can see here in the discrete mathematics, at the end you will find students handwritten notes. Okay, many handwritten notes you will find. Okay, like for example, this is our student. Let me tell you, this student is going to become a topper this year in 2024. In 2024 this student is getting, I think, top 200 rank. Okay, maybe top 100 rank. Okay, last time I had this conversation, I don't remember, but I'm sure top 200 rank he is getting, this student. Okay, so you can see Quantum City. This student is very popular. Basically last year this student was very popular. He was answering many doubts on the GATEOverflow website also. He was answering many doubts. Okay, he has written many answers. Also he has provided his notes. You can see the
He is
combinatorics notes,
getting,
for example. Yes,
yeah, he
Sachin.
is getting actually 73.33 marks this year. So most probably he will be in under 120. 73.33 marks he is getting before normalization. After normalization, there will be little bit here and there. But yeah, before normalization, the marks are 73.33. And most probably, like currently, I think the estimate is 100. But most probably his rank will be, under 120. And he has shared his notes. So you can see that already one of the topper handwritten notes is already there. And these notes were popular actually last time. So many students used to ask that, okay, can anyone share quantum city notes? And not just among the Go classes student, it is very surprising that many, many public Telegram group which were not affiliated to Go classes, they were also asking, they were also asking that can anyone share Go classes quantum city notes. Okay, they were not knowing that he's going to be topper. Like obviously, like at the time of preparation, who knows that who is going to be topper? But these notes were popular among all the aspirants, not just Go classes students. And this time we will provide you all subject notes. So Quantum City and a few other students have shared notes for discrete mathematics, data structures, algorithm, I think engineering mathematics, and few other, like I think operating system like that. But this time we will provide you handwritten notes for all the subjects. So what is the benefit of that? Because whenever you want to revise, right? Whenever you want to revise, you can just rely on those notes. The reason is that whenever you are watching the first time, at that time, if you're watching the notes in the parallel, that okay, this is the subject and you are watching the notes in parallel, then at the time of revision also you can quickly recall from the same notes. So summary lectures and the student handwritten notes, these two things are going to be very 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 helpful in your revision, right? So like we will share the revision strategy later on. I mean, after 1 or 2 months we will have one more session, and we will share that what are the best way to revise. But currently we are saying that this particular these kind of particular handwritten notes will be very beneficial to you, and especially if those are coming from toppers like Quantum City.
So basically, as I told you, we will provide you annotated notes. Also, we will provide you students' handwritten notes. But still, this is a suggestion from our side that you should make your own notes. Okay, if that is possible, if you have time. See, if you are preparing with job, then maybe you can rely on the annotated notes, or you can also rely on the students' handwritten notes. Okay, but if you have time, okay, if you have enough time, then you can make your own notes. Okay, so remember, if you are preparing dedicatedly without any job, okay, without I can say without college, if you have time, if you have enough time, then make your own notes. But if there is, I can say, time crunch, okay, then in that case, you can rely, you can make use of annotated notes, you can make use of students handwritten notes. So these things you can use. Okay, make use of these things. Okay, so
So one of the students is asking that I'm preparing with the college. Should I make notes? So actually, it depends on you. Also depends on the subject. For example, let's suppose you find, okay. I mean, it depends on person to person. For example, you find that okay, C programming is easy, but for example, that data structures is tough. Okay, I mean, depend on person to person. Or maybe, for example, operating system is easy, but computer networks is tough. So see, whenever you are watching the lecture, irrespective you are going to make notes or you are not going to make notes, you take copy and take pen. Never was the lecture just like a movie. Okay, just like okay, just like you are not having copy and pen and watching the lecture, it is not going to be beneficial. I mean, was the lectures with the copy and pen, even though you are not writing something, take copy and pen. It will automatically make you sincere while watching the lecture. And now if the subject you think is little bit tricky for you, then you can make that notes. Otherwise, if you don't have time, then you can rely on the student handwritten notes that we will providing. Yeah, but if you have time, then as Deepak mentioned, I'm not going to repeat it, that if you have time, then please make your own notes. Okay.
yes. So basically, make your evaluate yourself. How much time you have? Okay, can you make your own notes? Do you have enough time to make your own notes? So if you can do that, then make your own notes. Okay, but I'm telling you, you can make use of handwritten notes of students. You can make use of annotated notes. Okay, so make use of these also. Maybe you can do some mix. Okay, you can take some screenshot from the annotated notes. Okay, you can write digital notes. You can write, or maybe you can write your pen paper notes. So basically, just just decide what is best for you. Okay, but I agree with Sachin that whenever you are watching any lecture, okay, it can be any subject, any lecture. Whenever you are watching any lecture, then at least have copy pen with you. Okay, basically, if you are solving some question, you can pause the video, you can try to solve that question yourself. If you are able to do it, then very good, your confidence will increase. If you are not able to do it, don't worry, just click the video, just play the video and watch the solution. So basically, whenever, don't watch the video, don't watch the lecture like a movie. Okay, it will not help you. Okay, all the toppers who become topper in the gate exam, they they use copy pen a lot. Okay, I remember our gate 2023 topper, all India rank 85, Neil Rayal. He's right now in IIT Madras. Okay, You can see his interview on the Go Classes YouTube channel. He has, I can say, he has a collection of pen that he has, he has emptied during his preparation. During his preparation, so many pen he has emptied. So this is what we are telling you, that don't watch lectures like a movie. Okay, always use copy pen, okay, while watching the lecture. Let me tell you about test series. For test series, we will create a separate video. We will tell you all about the test series in a separate video. Okay, in the test series launch video, we will tell you. But let me tell you that test series is not included in the course. Okay, when you purchase the complete course, then test series is not part of that. Remember, in the complete course, everything else is part of complete course. Okay, like for example, if you enroll Go Classes complete course, okay, this Go Classes Gate CSE complete course, if you enroll, okay, so this complete course, if you enroll, then remember, in this you will get everything. You will get lectures, you will get summary lectures, okay, you will get summary lectures. You are going to get quizzes, weekly quizzes, okay, weekly quizzes. You are going to get homework, okay. So basically all the things, like if there is some marathon sessions, revision sessions, everything, remember, everything will be part of this. For example, let's assume after few months, let's assume we do some I can say some Gate PYQ course, that also will be free. Okay, if we launch, let's assume after few months we launch Gate PYQ video solution course, we launch, then that also will be free for you. Okay, that also will be free. If we launch, let's assume some crash course we launch, okay, actually crash course is not helpful, but let's assume we launch some crash course, okay, then that also will be free for you. So this is what I'm telling you, that in this complete course you will get everything that we do, but test series you have to enroll separately. Let me tell you the reason why test series you have to enroll separately, because actually this is conducted on the GATEOverflow website. Okay, so also it is very minimal in fees. Okay, the fees of test series is also very minimal, and a lot of effort goes into test series. Okay, because the test series will contain, you can see, almost 4,000 quality questions. Okay, 4,000 quality questions will be there. So a lot of effort. And let me tell you, each and every question is created by me and Sachin. Okay, in the test series, in the weekly quizzes, in the lectures, everywhere, each and every question is created by me and Sachin. So a lot of effort goes into creating test series, providing the video solution, the text solution. So that is the reason. But still remember, the fees of test series is very minimal. Okay, so this is not like, it will not be very, I can say, it will not be any issue. Okay, it is very affordable, very minimal fees. Okay, so for the test series, we will create a separate session. Don't worry. Okay, do not worry about the test series. We will create a separate session for the test series. Okay, we have already done the discussion of weekly quizzes, marks versus analysis. See, many students, they focus on marks, and the toppers, they focus on analysis. Let me tell you, I'm very honestly telling you that toppers will focus on analysis. This is what toppers do. They focus on analysis, and other students will focus on marks. Okay, so remember, I remember there is Satyam Sukla, All India Rank 4 in GATE 2023. Okay, so we took Satyam Sukla interview, and he told us that whenever he attempted any test in the Go Classes test series, any test he attempted, then he never worried about the marks. How many marks he is getting, he never worried. Sometimes in the All India mock test, he got 46 marks. Let me tell you, this is Satyam Sukla, All India Rank 4. Okay, you can see in the GATE exam, in the actual GATE exam, he got more than 85 marks. But still, you can see in one of the All India mock test, he got 46 marks. But he did not worry about it. Okay, so he told very honestly, he told that, sir, I did not focus on marks, I was just focusing on the analysis. In the test, in the All India mock test, there are 65 questions, I was just doing the analysis of 65 questions. After the analysis, I was very happy by the improvement that I made. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you, that is the analysis is what will make you topper. Okay, when you do the analysis, then you will do the improvement, you will see the improvement in your knowledge, in your understanding. Okay, and that will make you a topper. I can say slowly, 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 as Sachin also told, that slowly, slowly, gradually, you will improve, you will improve, you will keep improving, and ultimately you will become a gate topper. And this is the same thing Satyam Sukla also told. Okay, so don't worry about marks. Okay, do not worry about marks. Just focus on the analysis. There are 15 questions, 20 questions in the weekly quiz. Then just go through all the questions, see the solution, see the video solution. Okay, and find out what are the mistakes you made. Find out where is the like in which concept you made the mistake, which concept you don't understand properly, and then you understand that concept properly. Okay, so basically improve. Okay, so very simple analysis. This will make you topper. Sachin?
Right. So actually, the one of the mistake that people do is this only, that they just keep on thinking about the marks. So that's why just don't think about the marks, at least before October. Don't do it, because don't expect you to be a topper immediately after studying some topic. For example, if you are studying some topic like for example, you are starting with linear algebra, right, or the discrete mathematics, and if you are studying some topic, after 1 week we will be having a test. Now don't think that okay, just after in a 1 week you will be, becoming a topper of the topic. It might not be possible. So have a practical deadline. If in case you want to have, okay, in case you want to have, then 30% initially, and then after 1 2 week you try to improve to 35%, like that. Okay, don't think that okay, in just 1 weekly quiz you attempt the first weekly quiz and you should be getting more than 70%. It will not happen. Actually, to be honest, it will not happen, not even to the toppers. So those who are going to top gate examination finally, though the same people will also not get very good marks in the first few tests. So that's why don't do any kind of comparison with the marks. Just try to analyze, try to learn, because this is what topper do, as Deepak is saying.
Okay.
Now the next thing is referral code. So basically, if you are enrolled, like since all of you are enrolled, then we will provide you the referral code. Okay, this is only for the enrolled student. This is not for the students who are not enrolled. Which means that if some random user is making one account on Go classes, and if that particular user wants to get the referral code, then it is not possible. This is only for the enrolled student. So what you need to do, if let's suppose some of your friend, okay, wants to enroll in Go classes, then you can just make use of this opportunity. You can earn some money. How? You can basically generate a referral code. So as Deepak told in the next slide, so you will go to the bottom of that, you go to your own account. For example, like this screenshot is from my account. So welcome Sachin Mittal. Now let's suppose your name is Mayank, right? Mayank Kashyap. So here it will be welcome Mayank Kashyap. Okay, so you go to your own profile, there click on become a partner. Now once you click on become a partner, there will be the referral code that will be generated. Now that's not enough, you need to mail us. Okay, you need to mail that referral code. We will activate that referral code. You need to get that referral code activated. Okay, once you generate the referral code, then you need to mail us. We will activate the referral code, right? And once the referral code is activated, you share with your friends, you share on Quora, you share on LinkedIn, you share on your own channels like Facebook or wherever you are active, right? So you share that particular referral code with, this is typically 6 or 7 letter code, right? You share with your friends, share on the social media. Actually, I don't know if we currently we have a screenshot or not, but there are people who have earned very good amount of money. Like for example, there are people who have earned, just using referral code, they have earned more than what they have paid to us. Okay, so we are already in loss for those students. So for example, if we have paid, let's suppose 25,000 to Go classes, then they have earned even more than 30,000, even more than 40,000. There are many students like that, just using referral code. So what they did, they basically shared that code on the Quora. Okay, they have written the genuine review of Go classes, that okay, Go classes is doing good in this and this, and they have written the genuine review. And at the end of the review, they've just pasted their code, that okay, if you really want to join Go classes, then use this code. So make this code activate, okay, by clicking on the become a partner. And also use Quora to write your honest review. See, we are not saying to write your paid review, right? This should be your completely honest feedback. Whatever feedback you want to give to, whatever feedback you have in your mind about the Go classes, about the weekly quizzes, about the live classes, about the recorded content, anything that you can think of. Okay, what are you, if you want to collect the feedback, just go through the feature of our course, that okay, live classes are there, like that, right? Just write down the honest review and just put your code at the end of that review. people will definitely use it, and we will for example, I think 4% we will give you the 4% back. So if the course is let's suppose x, for the x amount, then you will be getting x into 4 divided by 100, which means 4% of that x amount. And that person who is using that code, that person will also be getting, I think, 4 or 4.5%. So it is a benefit, a win-win situation for you and for the person also. So you will also be getting the money, you will be getting the cash, or the, you can ask us to like send the money in your bank account. You just share the bank account with us, and then we will be sharing the money with you. So you will be getting the money, and the person that who is going to enroll, that person will be getting the discount. So it is a win-win situation for both of you.
So actually, let me tell you that all the details about the affiliate code, all these things, actually, we will also provide you when you mail to us. See, when you get a code, let me tell you, actually, when you sign up on the Go Classes website, then you will get a code. Okay, there will be a 6-digit code will be there, 6-letter code basically. Okay, so you can see there will be a 6-letter code. Now, this code is actually not activated. Let me tell you, this code is initially not activated. Okay, so remember, using this code, you cannot refer basically. Okay, initially this code is deactivated. This code will be there, you can see the code, but initially this code will be deactivated. So what you need to do, you need to mail us. If you want to get it activated, then you need to mail us. Okay, so when you mail us to get it activated, to get it activated, to get it activated, then we will check, are you enrolled student? Okay, then what we are going to check, we will check, are you enrolled student or not? So if you are enrolled student, if you are enrolled student, then we will activate it. Okay, then we will activate, and we will tell you all about the referral code. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Okay, is this clear? So very simple, that you just send us a mail. Okay, and we will activate it, then you can share. So this is just like a refer and earn. Okay, this is the same thing, on Zomato, Swiggy, on all the websites there is refer and earn. Okay, so this is just a simple feature, refer and earn. Okay, is this clear? So let me know if you have any doubt related to affiliate code. Okay, any doubt, then please put a mail to us. Okay, because this is 6-letter code that you have, you can get it activated by sending a mail to us. Okay, so this is very simple feature. Okay, on every website nowadays you will see this feature, right? Referral code, refer and earn. So on the Swiggy, Zomato, on all the, on every website, I think. Okay, so the same feature we also have on the Go Classes website. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that the best way to make use of refer and earn facility, that is, just write a Quora review. Okay, that is the best way, because if you write a Quora review, you just have to spend one time. Okay, like basically one time you have to spend your time. Okay, it is like a one time thing. After that, you don't have to spend time in this, because your target is to crack the gate exam. Your target is not to keep sharing the code. Yes or no? We see that many students, actually not many students, but some students, what they do, they keep sharing the code. Use focus on your target. Your target is to crack the gate exam. That is the ultimate prize, that is the ultimate goal. Okay, so what you can do, this is just a one time thing. On the Quora you can put your review. Okay, okay, you can put your review, whatever, basically whatever you feel about the Go Classes course, you can put. Okay, you can write multiple answers. Okay, on different questions, basically related to Gate Computer Science, related to Go Classes. Okay, related to, I can say, Gate 2025. So basically you can write multiple answers on the Quora, and you can put your code at the end. This will be one time thing, you don't have to spend time again. Okay, don't waste your time again. Just focus on your gate preparation and become a topper next year. Because remember always, that is the end goal, that is the ultimate goal, that you should become a topper next year. Okay, so don't waste your time by just keep sharing here and here. Okay, on the Telegram groups. Okay, don't do that. Okay, just write a core answer, it is a one time thing. And if someone approaches you, that, okay, if someone asks you that, do you have the referral code, then you can share. Okay, so very simple. So just send a mail to us, remember. Okay, just send a mail to us. Email ID you can find on the Go Classes website. Okay, on the Go Classes website you can find our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. Okay, so then you can get it activated and you can share it. If you have any doubts related to this affiliate code, okay, then please send a mail to us, we will provide you all the details. Okay. Now, now let me tell you how to make best use of Go classes course. And this we have already told you many times already. Watch the lectures, stay consistent, okay, attempt the weekly quizzes on time, and basically just follow the schedule. For 1 year, just follow the schedule. Till the gate exam, just keep following the schedule. Put your best efforts. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you, these are our expectations from you, that you be consistent, because remember, gate exam can change your future. Okay, gate exam can change your life. Right now you might be thinking that, okay, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs placement is very good, but let me tell you, once you go to IITs, once you go to IIC Bangalore, these top colleges, once you join those top colleges, then your placement will be, I can say, 20-30 lakhs per annum. Okay, per year, 20-30 lakhs. So you can see, this gate exam, this can change your entire life. You can join government job, you can join PSU job. So this gate exam is very powerful. If you can prepare nicely, if you can put your best effort for 1 year, then you can change your entire life. Okay, see, many exams are there in which students, they spend 3 or 4 years of life to change their life. There is UPSC exam. I have seen students, they prepare for 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 years. Okay, 4 or 6 years, they prepare for the same exam, okay, to change their life, right? But in the gate exam, you just have to prepare for 1 year. If you can put your best efforts, if you can stay consistent, and if you can put your best efforts for 1 year, then you can change your entire life, you can change your entire future with this exam, with this gate exam. You can join top colleges for MTech. You can join PSUs which are paying very nicely, ONGC, IOCL. Okay, many PSUs are there, many government opportunities are there, BARC, DRDO. Okay, many exams are there. So basically, by this gate preparation, you can change your entire life. So that is the reason I'm telling you that make the best use of Go classes course. Stay consistent, solve homework on time, attempt weekly quizzes on time, and give regular feedback about the course to help us improve your learning experience. Okay, so keep giving us regular feedback. Okay, like, let us know what you need, like how can we make your experience better. Okay, like what is better for you, let us know. We will do. Okay, because we want to see you become topper next year. Okay, Sachin.
Right, right. So actually, okay, this is the most demanding topic that, sir, what is the per day schedule of Go classes? So first we are telling you the first week schedule, because if there is, let's suppose there is any change in only one day, then if we tell, let's suppose the entire year schedule, do you think it will work? If we tell entire year schedule, and if there is any change in just one day, then the schedule will get shifted, right? So we will tell you per day schedule for every week. Okay, for every week, what is the lecture for this particular day, what are the lectures you need to do for this particular day, what are the lectures you need to do, like that we will tell you before starting the first week, which means that, let's suppose that you want to the first week is starting on the Monday, then we will even tell you on the Friday. So we will tell you 2-3 days before the schedule of the next week. So currently we are telling you the schedule of the first week, so that is on the next slide.
See, on the first week, we are going to take the fundamental course. You already know, right? Okay. So, first we will teach you the fundamental course. Then we will start discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics, all these things we will start. So, we are going to provide you the schedule. Every week, we are going to provide you the schedule in advance. Okay. Like right now, we are providing you the schedule for the next 1 week. Okay. And the next Friday, I can say the next Friday, or I can say Thursday, Friday, we will provide you the schedule for the next week, like that. Okay. So you are going to keep getting the schedule for the next week and so on. Okay. If you are following the course, if you are following the schedule. Okay. Because see, it is very, I can say it is not feasible to make the schedule in, I can say, right now at this moment for the next 365 days. Of course, you also will agree that it is not feasible, it is not possible, right? So that is the reason the best way is basically we are going to provide you schedule for every week. Okay, in advance we will provide you. Okay, so let me tell you, this you already know. Okay, this you already know, that first week is dedicated for the fundamental course, right? Yes or no? So first we are going to provide you the schedule for this fundamental course. Okay, after that we will provide you for the remaining also, don't worry. Okay, so let me tell you that the live classes, they will happen on Monday, Tuesday, Also they will happen on Thursday, Friday. Okay, because there will be 4 live sessions. So you can see 2 live sessions will be on Monday, Tuesday, 2 live sessions will be on Thursday, Friday. Okay, Wednesday will be the weekly quiz. On this day there will be weekly quiz, we will make it live. And weekends will be free. The reason to make weekends free, that is, if you are preparing with job, if you are preparing with your college, okay, if you are preparing in, I can say, with your ongoing college life, then these things, I can say, these free days will help you cover the pending part. If there is some topic pending, some lecture pending, then you can cover those pending topics, pending lectures on weekends. Okay, so remember, weekends are free, so that you can stay, you can come to sync with us. Okay, to make you stay in sync with us. Okay, and there will be weekly quiz on the Wednesday, and Monday, Tuesday live sessions, Thursday, Friday live sessions. So this is the schedule for the next week that we are going to follow. You can see, fundamental course we are going to study, okay, in the next 1 week. Okay, so you can see this on 29th February. Okay, that is tomorrow, right? Okay, 29th February. So on this day you have to watch lecture number 1, lecture number 2 in the discrete mathematics course. Okay, that also we will tell you, don't worry. We will make one section for the discrete for the course. Okay, that we will do. So you can see, basically, this 1 week you just have to go to the discrete mathematics course. Okay, in your folder, in your gate CSE 2025 complete course folder, you can see this discrete mathematics. Okay, here, this lecture number 1, lecture number 2, you can watch on 29th February. Lecture 3, lecture 4. So like that, you can see on 1st March, lecture 6, lecture 7 on 2nd March, lecture 8, lecture 9 on 3rd March, and finally lecture 10, which is, okay, this lecture 10 you can watch on the, I can say, 4th March. Okay, so basically this is how you can follow. Okay, and finally you can see, we will start the live sessions. You can see that on Monday there will be live sessions by Sachin sir for the lecture 1 to 7. Okay, for the lecture 1 to 7, you can see, for these lectures, okay, you can see there is there is logarithm, there is, you can see, logarithm is also there, modular arithmetic is there, geometric progression, all these things are there, you can see. Okay, so for the lecture 1 to 7 there will be live session on Monday. Is this clear? And there will be live session on Tuesday by me, okay, for the lecture 8 to 10. So this is the next 1 week schedule. Remember, this is just a fundamental course. This is easy course. Okay. All these concepts that you will study in this fundamental course, most of these concepts you have already seen in your school life. Okay, like graph, logarithm, okay, modular arithmetic, GP, AP, sequence series, and so on. Okay, proof techniques. So all these concepts, these are, I can say, easy concepts. Okay, and we will cover, we will take the live sessions on the Monday, Tuesday. So this is the schedule for the next 1 week. And remember one thing, that I can say on the Friday, or I can say on the Saturday, on the Friday, we will provide you the schedule for the next week. So like that we will do. Okay, Sachin.
Yes. So basically, all of these things, as Deepak said, that you have already studied. I mean, might have studied in your 11th or 12th, but we will teach you to make sure that you the things are revised. And for the people who have not studied them, right? So as an experienced teacher, we are telling you that there are many people who do not know these things, right? So that's why we do not assume anything. So we will teach you everything from very basic. And once this fundamental is covered, we will be starting with the discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics. Okay, so for this week, you just need to cover the fundamentals, and we will be having the live session for the practice session. I mean, for the practice question and your doubt. So this live session that I will be taking on the 4th March will be basically the practice question from the lecture 1 to 7. So if let's suppose that there are more questions or there are more doubts, then the live session might get stretched. For example, like initially I will be planning for it to we have 2 hours, but it might get stretched to 3 hours because I need to cover more lectures, right, from 1 to 7. So there are homework questions for every lecture. For example, for lecture number 1, there are homework questions that are already uploaded, and we will tell you. Okay, we will tell you in the in the announcement group with the screenshot that how to find the homework questions. So there are homework questions which are already there, and in the live class you need to do what? You need to come up with the solution of all the questions that are already uploaded. and then we will take your doubts. We will also solve some of the few nice questions there, because there are few nice questions which we like to solve. So we will be anyway solving it. And if there is any other doubt, you can just ask us in the live practice class, right? It will be doubt plus practice.
Let me tell you one thing. You can see every year we teach this fundamental course, right? Yes. So in this course we teach this logarithm concept. Let me tell you, in gate 2024, in every set, in set 1, set 2, the logarithm question came. Okay, so you can see this logarithm question, this concept of logarithm we teach in the fundamental course. In the first week we teach this concept. Okay, and you can easily see that anyone has seen this in gate 2024, in set 1 also, in set 2 also, logarithm question came. So this is what we are telling you, that basically in just 1 week, let me tell you, in just 1 week you will feel the difference. Okay, you will feel why Go Classes is popular for quality learning in just 1 week. I can say from tomorrow onwards, okay, from 29th February onwards, you will start seeing the difference, that in the next 1 week your fundamentals will be clear. Okay, this sigma, what is this sigma notation, properties of sigma notation, okay, sequence, series, logarithm, modular arithmetic, proof by contradiction, proof by induction, okay, direct proof. So basically your fundamental concepts will clear in the next 1 week. You will automatically see the difference in just 1 week. And remember, there is lecture, you have to watch the lecture. After the lecture there is annotated notes. After that there is homework for that lecture. So for every lecture there is a homework also. For that homework, either the video solution or the text solution will be provided to you. Okay, so you just keep following this sequence. Okay, just keep following the sequence and meet us on Monday. On Monday, Sachin sir will take live session. Okay, and remember, this live session normally we will take for 2 hours, but it can get longer also, depending on the doubts. If you have more doubts, okay, if we have more practice questions to take, okay, so it can get longer also, but it will be at least 2 hours. Okay, or maybe it can be, I can say, broken in multiple, I can say, sessions. For example, 1 hour session, then 1 hour session, then 1 hour session. So it is also possible that we will break it in multiple sessions. Okay, so ultimately I am telling you that the live sessions, these are 2 hour session. Okay, minimum 2 hour session. And you can see on Tuesday I will take the live session for lecture 8 to 10. So this is very clear, right? Okay, in which live session, which lectures we are going to discuss, that is very clear, yes or no? Like Sachin sir will discuss lecture 1 to 7, I will discuss lecture 8 to 10. Okay, so this schedule is very clear. Anyone has any ambiguity in this schedule? Okay, so this is the schedule for the next 1 week. Okay, and this 1 week itself will make you feel the difference. Okay, so the timing of live sessions, let me tell you, we have already told you, but let me again tell you the timing of live sessions. The timing of the live sessions will be evening. Okay, will be evening 7:30 p.m. onwards. Okay. Okay. So if you have some dinner, some students are saying that they have dinner time. Okay. So let me tell you that what we can do, we can break this live session in parts. For example, Sachin, right? We can, like, for
Yes.
example, 1 hour, we can take 1 hour session from 7:30 to 8:30. We can take 1 hour session. Then we can give you half an hour or maybe 45 minutes. We can give you. Then we can take another session. So these things are possible. Don't worry. Okay, these things are possible. But let me tell you one thing. By chance, if you miss the live session, okay, then don't worry. The recording will be available. Okay, the recording of all the live sessions will be available. Just in case if you miss the live session, then also do not worry about it, because majority of the students, they anyway they watch the recorded session. Okay, so because maybe someone is doing job, someone is preparing with btech, with their college. So in that case, basically, don't worry, all the live sessions will be recorded, those recording will be available for you. And you can always ask your doubts in the private Telegram group. You can tag Sachin sir, you can tag me. Okay, so basically, as I told you, there is a community. Okay, let's discuss all the doubts and let's get all the doubts resolved. Okay, so don't worry about the timing. Okay, so this is the timing for the live sessions, that will be in the evening 7:30 onwards. Okay, so this is all from our side. I think we have taken everything. Okay, like how to follow this course, how to make best use of this course. I have to like we have told you everything. So if anyone has any doubts, you can ask. Sachin, if you want to add something, you can add.
Yeah, so we can take doubts. And one of the student, Kumar Tanmay Anand, is asking, will the live doubts solving classes will be updates as it is already for GATE 2024? Okay. So did not. Okay, so he's asking that, okay, live doubt classes that we had last year, will they be updated? So see, any content of the last year, if that is perfect, which means if that does not need any modification, we will not update it. The reason is very obvious, because there is no point in investing the time which is already perfect. So if there is any session, whether it is whether it was a live session, whether it was a recorded session, whatever it was, right? And if we think that, okay, that particular session or the particular concept is not conveyed with the with our satisfaction, with our full satisfaction, then we will update that content, whether it is live or recorded.
So a student is asking, if I follow this schedule consistently, will the syllabus get completed by October? Yes, definitely. Because all the subjects, everything is already ready. Okay, many students actually they will be using our course in a self-paced way according to their own strategy. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you, that you should just stick to the schedule. Okay, just keep following the schedule consistently. Okay, don't lose, I can say don't be lazy in your efforts. Okay, see, it's just a 1 year time. I'm telling you that there are many exams. You will see people who are preparing for UPSC, they spend many years of their life for that exam, but gate exam, just 1 year is enough to change your entire life. So you should not be lazy in your efforts. Okay, so just keep following the schedule consistently, and your syllabus will be over by October. And for then after that, for 3 months, there will be revision, marathons, test series, all India mock test. So everything will be there. Okay. So
Right.
if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. A student was asking that the student has taken gate computer science course, gate computer science complete course the student has taken, but that student wants to take the combined course. Okay, so you can do that. You can send a mail to us. Only the difference amount you have to pay. Okay, the combined course minus the individual course that you have taken, only the difference amount you have to pay. So please send a mail to us.
Right. Vijit is asking that I enrolled for GATE 2024. So how I, and the access is still till I think it has not been expired basically. So he has enrolled for 2024 course, and now how to access the 2025 content. So Vijit, it will not be possible honestly, like because you had enrolled in 2024 course, and 2025 package is actually different, right? It will be a completely different package. So that's why like if you want, you can access 2024, because it already has all the good lectures. So if you want to revise, if you want to do practice, and if you want to watch some lectures, you can utilize 2024 course. But 2025 course will be different package, and the students who are enrolled in the 2025 course, those are only eligible to watch watch all the lectures of 2025.
See, in the 2025 course, the summary lectures, that is itself is a additional thing. Okay, so there will be summary lectures. There will be many new weekly quizzes. Okay, so there are many extra things. And if there is a topic that we did not cover, if that topic is left out, then that also we will cover this year. Okay, so if there is a topic, let's assume, which we think that we can cover better, okay, in a better way, then we will cover it in a better way. So basically, remember one thing, that we are constantly, every year we do this, every year we keep improving our course. Okay, if we find that, okay, this particular topic we have taught, but we can teach it in better way. Okay, we can provide a better explanation, easier explanation. Okay, with more variations, with more questions. Then we will do that. We will remove that old lecture, and we will upload the new lecture. Okay, so and if there is a topic which is left out, then that also we will provide you. So basically, we keep upgrading our course. Let me tell you one thing, that if you are a GATE 2024 course enrolled student, and if your purpose is weekly quizzes, then that will be available to you. Okay, all the weekly quizzes of this year also, like of 2025 also, we will provide to you. So don't worry. Like, so basically, like weekly quizzes, you will also get, like the 2024 students, they will also get. So all the weekly quizzes you will get. Okay, so if you have any other, I can say, if you have any other doubt, you can send a mail to us. We will let you know. Okay, so anyone has any doubt, let me know. Some students are asking about the revision, so don't worry. We will have separate session for revision. Okay, we will have another a completely separate session only for revision. How to revise only for the revision strategy. We will have a separate session. There will be separate session for test series. Okay, so don't worry. So there will be many more sessions as we go on. This is a orientation session to give you overall idea. Okay, overall idea of how to follow the course, how to make best use of this course, how to join the live classes. Okay, what are the weekly quizzes? So basically everything. This is the overall idea uh, to give you about our course. Okay.
Right. So if there is any other query, I think you can just ask us in the comment section. So we will enable the comment section for this particular video, and you can ask the doubts, right? So because the doubts are related to how to follow the course and these things. Actually, let me tell you one thing, that some doubts are something which has to be experienced as a first hand. Which means that if we tell you that, okay, if you ask me that how to prepare for gate, see, many students ask that what is the best strategy to prepare for gate. And what I generally say, that okay, just follow the course for at least 15 days, and then you will get your answer by yourself. Because some things has to be experienced by first hand. So if you're asking that, okay, what is the best strategy to follow the course, and so on, then just follow the course for 15 days, and in just 15 days all of your doubts will get answered by yourself. Because something has to be experienced, right? If I or Deepak tell you, then you will not get to realize it. But if you experience it just for 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, then automatically all of these things will get answered. That what is the best strategy, how to manage the time. See, some people are asking that how to manage the time with the college. That is something that you have to figure out. I mean, either you wake up early, or maybe if you want to study at night, you study late at night. So it will depend on you. So if you're asking how to manage the time, then there are many ways. You wake up early, or you sleep late at night, or maybe whenever you are going to the college, at that time, if the lecture is not interesting, if the lecture is not relevant, then what you can do, you can just solve the questions which are related to gate, right? Which means that you can solve homework questions, you can solve practice questions, like that. So it is up to you that how much dedication you are showing. Because there are many students who have been into like who were college going. There are many students who were even doing job. So this time, one of the student, Shubham Sharma, who is getting 79 marks in gate 2024. So he is working at Qualcomm, which is one of the very hectic job. So now you can understand that the person who is getting 79 marks is from the background, is basically the job which is by itself is very hectic. So it is up to you that how much dedication you are showing, right? So the answer to the question that how to manage the time and these things will depend on your dedication.
So let me quickly take some doubts. Okay, some doubts that I can see. Let me quickly take, because these doubts are very frequent. So many students are asking for the aptitude. We will create a separate session for aptitude. Okay, how to basically how to handle aptitude, how to follow aptitude. Okay, so what to do for aptitude course. So for that we will have a separate session. Remember, in Go classes, aptitude course is pre-recorded. Okay, so you already have, if you go to the Gate 2025 package, aptitude course is already pre-recorded, but we will have a separate session to discuss about aptitude course. Some students are asking, Dipanshu is sending a lot of messages, direct messages. Dipanshu is sending. Dipanshu, please send a mail to us. Okay, your doubt, please send a mail to us. Okay, just send a mail to us on the Go Classes website. You can find the email ID, contact@goclasses.in. Please send a mail to us. A student is asking, EM and DM are free this year? Yes. Engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, these are free this year also. Okay. Complete engineering mathematics, complete discrete mathematics are free this year also. A student is asking for test series. For test series, we will create a separate session in the next 10 days. Okay. So don't worry about the test series. Okay. Test series, you have to separately enroll. Test series, for test series, you have to separately enroll for the test series. But remember, in our complete course, there are weekly quizzes, there are summary lectures, there are lectures. Okay, active participation of the faculty, telegram group, private discussion group, announcement group. Okay, basically anything like Gate PYQ video solutions, everything is included in our course. Okay, test series you have to separately enroll, or for the and for test series we will create a separate session. Okay, so
One
I
of the
think
student is asking, yeah. That's
yes,
I have a suggestion. You can keep the revision session in the March. Yes, it's a good suggestion that we can start, one marathon in 1 month. For example, in March we can take the marathon of one subject. For example, C programming, or for example, whatever subject is finished by the end of March, we can take the marathon of that. For example, linear algebra will be finished by the end of March, so we can take one session for complete linear algebra. So we will be doing the periodic revision, but for the revision you just be consistent with yourself, which means that whenever you cover any subject in just month, or in just 1 month or 40 days, just try to revise that subject. Do not wait that, okay, once I will forget then only I will revise it. It is not like that. See, we will share the revision strategies later on, but I'm just quickly telling you that don't wait till you forget the subject. It is one of the bad thing that people do. Okay, because once you forget the subject, then you start revising, it will take more time compared to the time that you might have taken if you already remember the good amount of the subject. Okay,
a
so
student is asking if you
yeah.
update something. A student Tanmay is asking if you update something, it will be as per the schedule or randomly. It will be as per the schedule. Okay, I and Sachin, we are going to follow the schedule. So basically, all the weekly quizzes, all the summary lectures, everything will be according to the schedule. Okay, if you want to follow the if you want to follow the course as per your own strategy, as per your own sequence, then that you can do. But we will follow the sequence. Okay, so all the weekly quizzes, everything, anything that we add, something new, if we add, that will be according to the schedule. Okay, it will not be random. Okay,
Krishna
so
is asking,
yes.
yeah, that sir, honest opinion, sir, please tell honest opinion that should we prepare for both GATE, CSE, and DA? I have already enrolled in CSE course. See, if you are a second year student, or you're a third year student, or if you have already seen, GATE, CSE, which means you are a repeater, so then you can go for GATE, CSE, and DA, because it will require two or 2.5 months of extra preparation, because it has see machine learning, AI. It has more topics of probability, linear algebra, calculus. So it might require even 3 more months. So if you think that you have three extra months, because you are in the second year, or because maybe you are a repeater or something like that, then you can definitely go for CSE and DA. It will depend on your caliber also. Like, let's suppose that you think that, okay, I'm a smart student and I can do both of them parallelly, then you can do. But we will say that if you are seeing the things very very first time, okay, if let's suppose you have not seen GATE, CSE any time before, then it is better to prepare only for one.
See, there are some students who are extraordinary confident. Okay, they are very confident that I can handle both Gate CSE, Gate DA. Okay, so those students can go for both of them. But if you are if you are in confusion, let me tell you, if you are confused, should I go for both of them, should I go for one of them, then if you are in confusion, then I will suggest that you go for one of them. Okay, so like if you are already preparing for Gate Computer Science and you are in confusion, should I go for both of them, then I will suggest that you should go for one of them. There are some students who know their own potential, they know their own caliber, and they are very confident that yeah, I can handle both of them. Or maybe there are some students who are in first year. If you are in first year or second year, then it makes sense that you can study both of them, because anyway in your college you will have machine learning course, you will have AI course, so anyway you will study those things. So if you are in first year, second year, then you can go for both of them, as Sachin said. Also, if you are a repeater and you are very confident that yes, you can handle both of them, okay, so that confidence you must have. Okay, basically in your own potential, confidence in your own potential if you have, then you can go for both of them. Otherwise, if you are in confusion, okay, if there is any confusion, then go for one of them, it will be better. Okay, so that is the honest opinion of me and Sachin.
Yeah, right. So I think we
So
have
I,
taken
I
most of.
think most of the doubts, Sachin, we have taken. I think because a lot of doubts are keep coming in. So in the future, as we proceed, every doubt will be clear.
Right. See, if we take all the doubts in this session, then this session will be, 4 hours long, and we don't want to do it. So we will reply you all of your doubts. Don't worry, we will reply all of your doubts in the text format. So you just comment after this video. We will enable the comment section in this video. So you just comment after the session end, and then we will reply all of your doubts. Okay, don't worry.
Actually, on the Go Classes website, a comment section is available for all the videos. Okay, so you can just like on the Go Classes website also you can comment under the video. But the best thing, let me tell you, the best thing, this video we will put on the Go Classes YouTube channel. This orientation session we will make it public. Okay, so we will put it on the Go Classes YouTube channel, and in the comment on the YouTube channel you can put your comment. Okay, that will be very easy for us to reply. So this video, this orientation session, we are going to put on the Go Classes YouTube channel. Publicly, we will put it, and you can ask all your doubts, all the pending doubts. You can ask in the comments. We will reply to each and every doubt. Okay. So see you tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we are starting our session, and really I am very excited. Okay, to bring new questions to you. Okay, new weekly quizzes. Okay, so basically to I will also follow this course. Okay, I and Sachin will also follow this course. You also follow this course. So let's top the gate exam next year. Okay, that should be our target. Okay, that in the top 100 there should be, I can say, many or more than 50%. I can say in the top 100 more than 50 students should be from Go Classes complete course. Okay, so these students who are right now, in the chats, okay, you must be the topper next year. Okay, so that should be the mindset. Okay, and we will do our best. Remember, we will put our best efforts. You also have to put your best efforts. Okay, so don't be lazy. It's just a matter of 1 year, 1 year of hard work, 1 year of consistent work, and you will change your entire life. Okay, believe me, this gate exam is beautiful exam. It can change your entire life.
Yeah, so the same thing I will say, that GATE exam is something which will change your life forever. So whatever, like especially financially, okay, like I mean, the one of the motivation for many of the students is finance. So especially it will make you financially independent. The kind of job that you will be getting after GATE exam, either you go for PSU or you do your MTech, and after that you take a job, right? So kind of job that you will be getting after GATE exam will be very, very, very good. So just make sure that for this complete year, you are with Go Classes, you are consistent, and we will make sure that you will be getting the top rank. You just make sure that you are watching the lectures. Okay, don't skip the lectures, don't skip the weekly quizzes, and eventually, like slowly, you will be getting the concept, and eventually you will be topping the gate. This is all we will say for now, and all obviously, like we will be keep on having a mentorship and guidance session. So we will be keep on having, like last year we had many sessions, this year also we will be having many more sessions. So we will be keep on having many sessions this year, right? And then you will be if there is anything, then you will be directly interacting with us, and we will be solving your doubts.
Okay, so thank you everyone. Excited to see you tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards. Okay, follow the schedule. Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.